big role was the most recent one.
The Marley.
The
big
Bob
role
Marley
was the
movie.
Bob Marley movie. And Bob Marley movie, that one they come magical as well, my brother. Most of my roles, them. That is one of the reasons why I'm not too pressure acting in a deal. Because my roles always forward to me. The best roles and the right roles. So, enough people they think I never read for the Bob role. I read for the Bob role. But I read for it on my own time because I never want to play the Bob role. I never want to play it because from youth, I never want to play the Bob role. I never want to get stuck in being called Bob because Bob Marley teach we to be so individual where with such a big image and a big expression and a big personality of Bob Marley, we kind of want to set our own personality and our own vibration. And me feel like say if I play Bob, I go play it so well that it go stuck.
Welcome to the Dale Elliott podcast. I am your host, Dale Elliott, and I am here with a very special guest. You know, people, this person is really my brother. I've always been told that, you know, we should do something together and everybody, one to the movie that didn't do, better must come. I say, better must come. I never do better must
Brethren,
come. I never.
You know much time I do sprinter a road. I me the sprinter by the way, you know, my brother. I say, no, I'm me the sprinter. You know what I mean? But it's a joy though, because nobody never see me a road that want to beat me up or bust me head because you diss nobody, y'all. You know what I mean? I'm glad that they see y'all trim. May I say, shoo.
You glad?
No, me glad
freedom.
for other reasons. Me say, shoo. No, them not go mistake me, but it's not like say. More time my grandmother will call me, you know. And they pan, boy, and send me a thing. Them and say, whoa, look, what a way in favor my grandson. I love him too, you know. Because my grandmother follow your program, you know, thing, you know, and my mother, you know, in your program and thing. And I say, what? But before me even know the eye for reason, I say, Jano, I say, you know, she said, the brother look like me. Look, that time, I know I joke, I make it with the vibes with them. Because I tell them, say, I try, you know what I mean? Because we go all KC together. And I say, this too close, you know, Rasta. I say, who the youth? I'm going to find out about the youth, yeah. The youth, yeah. I'm call all my father, you know. And say, I'm say, Daddy, you know the youth, yeah? And Daddy say, yeah, man, him funny, man. Him hilarious, you know.
Yeah.
And I say, but nobody, I say, Daddy, you sure? You know what I mean? And I say, you know, I have to investigate the youth, yeah, because we look too similar. We go KC together. I'm going to see you do your thing in
we act.
I'm going to see you do your thing in a theater. Not only that, we acting. I'm going to see you do your thing in a theater. And theater is a different style. Because when you go up on your stand-up shows, you know, my lad, is inside of a theater you are most comfortable.
Yeah.
You feel me, I say? So when you present your art in front of people, them come sit down and them dress up and them wear them nice clothes. And them come sit down and them come sit in for watch the eye.
Feel like some, you know, so funny enough, you talk about theater. So I always have this vision of theater as like a bourgeois thing where I am, it's like you perform for a class of people. That was how theater is.
And to be honest, that is what theater kind of was and how it started. Because, and to be real, the regular person, I go with the regular mind, them are going to find it hard to take up their money and buy a premium theater ticket with a regular mind. However, people mind start evolve now where them start see entertainment in a different light and them start want that kind of vibration where them actually feel like them in a theater, but it's real and it's live and them get the emotions from a real y'all sweat and it a splash pan them to blood fire. You know what I mean? So theater is for it's kind of avant-garde, you know. It's kind of bougie, you know, my brethren. For real, you know. But Jamaica have a thing what we call roots theater. We dash with the bougie outside too. And we say, watch out, anybody can come full jar at the theater space. You know what I mean? And we open that door up to the regular man.
For everybody.
For everybody.
So you see, before we even go straight into theater, I want to ask you your background. Because we can tell you what we know about you. Sheldon Shepherd, Better Must Come, POUGHKEEPSIE, you know, the Nomads. I think you have created a lane for yourself, which I strive to emulate.
Seeing.
Where you can really say this is what you do and this is the only thing you do. Because you're a poet. You know. What is? You are the most serious comedian me ever see. Because technically,
a joke.
You're still funny.
No, we hilarious. But
hilarious. Yeah. But you know what I mean.
Yes,
so
I totally.
How your environment and your upbringing influence the person you is today, Sheldon Shepherd.
And at East Kingston, you come from too. You come from East Kingston. East Kingston, you come from. At East Kingston, I come from Franklin Town,
Yeah,
Rallington Town,
South.
Vineyard Town, Southside, Dunkirk. Am I Terry and the one
Anybody named Elliott.
See it there? See it there?
The
So Franklin Town, born and grew up Franklin Town. Humble beginnings, because you don't know Franklin Town is, if you know the garrisons, Kingston 16, ghetto lifestyle, no running water, no electricity. My father used to do dub poetry around the house when we were growing up, and that was our main source of entertainment. So daddy used to perform, and we used to be like, you know what I mean? And my cousin used to read the newspaper, and we used to sit down and be like, you know what I mean? Because that was the entertainment. We never have no light. Special occasion, my father would have bridge light from next door.
Turn it on.
Turn on the TV. Get a TV from grandfather, because grandfather in the military, and him deliver on the road, and him always have things. Trumpet, trombone, at the random television set, a radio. So you could have gone and say, Gramps, let me the radio, let me the TV. And them say, take it. And they take up the radio, make sure you return it though. And daddy used to set up the TV, and we used to watch a Jesus show them, like on Easter time, like, you know. And I used to see them, you know, deal. As a little youth, I don't know the thought. I remember today that when I used to watch those shows, I used to say, if given the opportunity, in my mind, I used to say, if given the opportunity, I think I can do that and do it better. Acting, regarding the acting. I'm a father, I did in a theater. I used to watch him do plays and things, and him is a dub poet too. I used to watch him do Son, him do Belly Pain. I used to watch my father as a little youth on stage in an open lot. I do shows and audience buy them ticket and come out, and that was the thing when me grew up. I see that was my family vibration, you know what I mean. And after that, I used to go Clancarthy Primary, and then I left and go KC, and then I go KC too. You feel me? I say. So with that vibration at KC, that is when I got introduced to the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission. JCDC, the Festivals of the Performing Arts.
I used to sing at JCDC from the choir.
I say, yes. So, but there are reasons behind that. I say, this weird, because we have so much things similar to
same household
vibration, you know what I mean? I pray it, I say, it's very interesting.
I used to perform a little theater with Permacal Primary and
theater,
exactly.
Little theater. All of them places there, me used to enter dub poetry, win dub poetry for 5 consecutive years, win national award, and that I went now I start make some money for myself as a little youth. So every year, as a little youth, I tour Jamaica because I win dub poetry. I go around and I perform lunch hour concerts. I perform when the Prime Minister was retiring. The JCD PJ. When him did a retire, the JCDC hired me as a little youth for write the citation. You want to see me stand up in my black suit before been between Portia and PJ. Stay so I read my citation. The only line I remember what it is when I say, to measure greatness, one would not use a vernier caliper. To measure greatness, one would not use a micrometer. That's all I remember me saying in my life, because I did the woodwork and metal work at KC. So I remember them tools that we used to measure wood and metal and them things there. I say, watch me and them. So I write citations, and as a little youth, me used to find, say, JCDC, the Jamaica Cultural Development, was like my field, my playground, my sports, my champs.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So when I go there now, I'm stay so and I warm up, and we see all the other schools are prepare. And we say, hey, I'm them used to hear them and whisper them, say, blow, Sheldon Shepherd, come again, you know. People are kiss them teeth, them say, every year him come and win. Watch me and him. You know what I mean? It's like, it was that kind of vibe for us. It was very competitive. So we grew up in a competition from the household too. You know what I mean? With my brothers, them and things. So, but our competition was always about arts. You know what I mean? So now it's like, I can't even compete again, my brother. It have to be a compliment for me these days. If we not have a complementing vibration now, you know, like how man with a clash in a dance hall and them something there. Boy, you would have to pay me whole heap of money for me go clash somebody right now.
For me
go compete. Yeah, Rasta, I can't bother with the competition thing. Competition thief your joy. You know what I mean?
That is right. And comparison
and
is the
comparison
thief
thief your joy. You see me, I say, so the competition, friendly competition is a vibe. Because man, you got a champ, say you run and you win and you feel strong and you feel good and thing and all of that and you get a medal and thing. But in a art, like, how do you compare paintings? How do you compare poems? How do you compare acting when it's taste? Them think they are taste. And it's not like I can say I run 100 meter faster than everybody else. I'm a thump down most man. You know what I mean? So me are the everywhere champion of the world. Art is taste.
I know. So what I gather from this, I believe, and I'm sure I am not the first person that said this to you, I feel you don't turn off your acting.
Who, me?
I feel like you're acting right now. And when you say that, I mean...
Interesting.
How you speak in terms of just your personality, it exude.
Yeah,
actor,
me get you. Me
like
get what you mean.
Poet.
Me get what you mean. I would more say poet because you are going with the poet.
The way you pronounce your words them is like, I am a poet.
Yeah. You know, say I'm a first. All right. Acting is my career.
Yeah.
If you want to get me to do some work, you have to have your budget. You feel me? I say, acting.
Yeah.
However, poetry is a part of my career too, but I do it all when I sleep. I do it, get up in the morning and I hear it. Me making music, so that becomes a part of me, the storytelling, the whole vibration of sharing culture. You know what I mean? Jamaican culture on that level as well. So, and my experiences, share them with language and with motion. So that become a part of me and it become more like who I am. You know, sound like a cliche.
It's facts.
You know what I mean? But it become who I am. So when you have your right for say, because I like to paint, I don't like to repeat myself, deal. I like when I say something, you get it.
You see thing is, I see who you are.
See it there? You're right after the bat. Exactly. You're supposed to.
Like,
you're not supposed to make a mistake.
We're not supposed to guess.
No.
So even though we're similar, and we can tell that you use your art, me transport my art different than you.
Yeah, man.
Because even for me, I'm afraid of theater, you know.
I'm afraid of stand up. I'm if I tell you that, hey, you see stand up. I tell people this, I gotta do a stand up routine when I'm about 50. Cause I feel like by then I go brave enough. You know what I mean? Because for go on a stage and tell people, say, my only purpose on this stage is to make you laugh. Nerve-wracking, bro.
I know what crazy about it, dog. And I don't think people even understand. I don't think people at Jamaica, they've never shared it before, but you say Juki Jam, Dennis Titus, Trevor, Shibada,
Johnny
Daly. Where the man where Juki Jam used to always say, Pop, pumpkin, pumpkin,
Paul Beal,
pumpkin,
Paul Beal. Him transition, rest him spirit.
Yeah, man. I grew up with watching the Hurricane Gilbert Titus come to town.
Yes, I.
Bad Boy Trevor.
Yes, I.
I grew up with when Dennis Titus, Higglers, who played my father in a sprinter.
Oh gosh, man. Yeah, man.
Don't get ridiculous now.
Oh gosh, man. Oh gosh, with Audrey. Oh gosh.
Audrey Reed and
man.
So it's funny how my life turned into that because of how much them not honest. Like, you want to see me lose it right now? Just make me see Juki Jam.
A trouble. We have the pleasure for work with almost every one of them man the way you just calling them, my brother.
Sprinter make me work with Titus. Titus shot me a box in a real life.
Glenn Campbell.
Man tell me say act where act. Brother.
Yeah, man.
Deaf.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And it have to go real. It have to go real.
So when man said to me, the man say, yo, you're on a dangerous spot. They see
Yeah.
box where man give me. I say, yo, me think I could do that act. The box where the man give me.
Brilliant actor.
Even Glenn Campbell, the lady where she used to read news too. What's her name? I can't forget for her name too.
Delia
Harris.
So, love Delia.
These are the people. And here's the thing is, I think that generation, I would have said birth your generation.
Totally.
Which is Kadeem.
Totally.
You.
Totally.
And then after them is my generation.
Totally.
My generation kind of go social media route.
Yeah, bro.
The thing is, what I am hoping for one day is for our generation pay homage to them.
Yeah, it happen, you know. It steadily happen.
Oh, no, it happen, you know. But my duty to sit down right here so and say, yo, everybody will watch me, will know me from nowhere. A Juki Jam and Titus and IT and Fancy Theater. That's what me used to watch on TV. I grew up.
Bro.
And that are the respect. And the respect when me see them put on stage and theater. Like, for me right now, me do show at England. And for somebody look at me and say to me, say, yo, me nah lie, the last time I come out of my house, go watch nobody at Oliver. And you make me come out of my house.
Beautiful.
Last time I come out of my house at Oliver. So you see when somebody said that to me,
beautiful.
Yo, you stick my head big right now?
Beautiful. What you mean, bro? When you hear them think they are joy, you feel like you accomplish something. It's like you can tick it off of the list.
I say, all right.
And what the I have, you know, what you have, you know, my brethren, is you manage to create a space with your Jamaican culture and your Jamaican content where, as I say, my grandparents, but it's not only that. Me have my white friends them and people them where send me your thing and I say, man, this guy reminds me of you. He's so funny. You know what I mean? And so you transcend certain barriers because people are also understanding what you're saying. You know necessarily you're Jamaican to the core and them hear it and the patois is there. However, you manage to put a accent to it where digestible.
It's called theater. It's called, when you go to school, I went to University of the West Indies. I had to present every week. I cannot present in patois. You know, I have to relay whatever message I have to get to the people. And my audience had to understand that as well.
Totally. So even though some people, when, all right, recently I do a thing. Funnily enough, there's a scene from Champion, this short film where I played this character with a machete and it go viral on TikTok and everything. And I have the little youth and I go call out the man on him veranda and do something, fling the machete underneath him neck and thing. And me see it I go viral upon a page and I say, let me read what the people them I say. So cause I read the comments and I say blouse and skirt them comments here. And then I hear somebody say, why them don't get real Jamaicans to play this thing? I'm say, who that fool person here? Because hear what them say now. I said a line in it. When I say, what is them name? And you hold on, man. From that comment, there was from a Jamaican who live a foreign by the way.
I don't know you're from nowhere.
And them don't know me because them not researching a culture. Them more surface. The thing is, them not dig deep, you know. Them take what the media give them. Them no research, you know. Them don't know what's going on, you know. Them don't know after Oliver, you know. That's why she would say that. Mm-hmm. Because Oliver, within the marketing, them parents used to give them it and say, watch this, and them see it on television. Now, is what them getting at them algorithms, what them getting at them feed. So them now do no research.
So, our job though. So regardless,
you have a
blame them. Our job.
You have a point because them are not journalists.
I mean, we have work for do.
Mm-hmm. So when I look upon the person, I say, this is obviously a Jamaican. We're not been in Jamaica for a while, so them don't even know, say, every parish have a different accent. We mix and match the English with the patois.
I come from country.
What is them name? When the man say, what is, I say, I deliberately took that line from my grandmother, you know, and put it in the thing, you know, because that wasn't scripted, you know. When them did have scripted, Jamaicans would say it.
Naturally.
I'm now gonna say, what is their name? You know, what are their names? You know, I'm not gonna say nothing like that. I say, what is them name? You feel me?
Yeah.
So within that vibration, when you can mix and match the language and get a true Jamaican picture, and Jamaicans who know Jamaica, especially the older ones, who can teach them young ones there, say, this is actually a language for true, you know.
This is how we speak.
Talk, you know.
Yeah.
This is how we talk, you know, for true. You know what I mean? So more time when I read the comments and when I see the thing on the social, me take a joy in it. And me kind of say, what am I talking about? You know what I mean? Because it's kind of entertaining for me to read all of that.
And sometimes you have to be reserved in yourself and confident in yourself to not respond.
You can't respond, bro. You can't respond. You have to be a ghost.
Hey, don't defend yourself.
You're mad. You must be mad.
Hey.
You must be mad. If you go say, like, what are you talking about? You're mad.
Don't go defend yourself.
You have to be a ghost, man.
But I think that is natural. For me, that's why I say, are you where I interview? Although we are reason why will I interview? Because me have a lot to learn from you right now.
Seeing.
First of all, your first project, the better must come, right? And you never do something. You never do another project for a while after that.
Yeah.
You're going on
10
music.
years.
10 years.
About 10 years after Better Must Come.
I am approaching almost 10 as well.
Sprinter?
Yeah.
Interesting.
I shot Sprinter in 2016.
Interesting. 10 years before Yardie come.
So it's 10. All right. So that was your second project?
Yeah, Yardie
So
was my second proper feature film. Yeah.
So it take 10 years. And people, I'm just saying that to say, what was that pressure?
Oh, God, man.
The pressure of you did this one body of work. We know you for this one body of work. And when are you doing something else? That's the pressure. And I tell you what I see and what I admire. Better Must Come, open the door and for you show your talent outside of film. Because that was when I see you pivot into what you love more than anything else, which was the Nomads and the poem and all right, I am going to carve this specific lane for myself because I not going to make nobody call me a one-hit wonder. You were never considered a one-hit wonder. Although you do one movie.
Yeah, Better Must Come was such a powerful film. And, you know, contrary, it put me up on the map in terms of notoriety. But is because of Nomads and my music why I got Better Must Come. And my poetry why I got Better Must Come. It's a poem I use for audition for Better Must Come. Nomads live under the same roof. Evie met Storm when he was on a play. He was doing a play called Jamaica to Rotted. And Storm come watch the play. I know
Jamaica to Rotted.
Yeah, man. Storm come watch the play and see Evie and say, I like your acting. And if we're doing this thing here at this time, if you have any friends, bring them forward. So comes the time. Evie come on my door and knock, I will live under the same roof. Him knock on my door and open my door and say, well, go on. And him say, you know, so the brethren I tell you about him say at the time. I'm going to say, at that time, I man did I say, you know, so I now do no more audition. I go focus on my music. Because every audition I go up on, nothing film, I not get no role. I'm going to say, you know, so I give that acting thing a break, a pause, a real pause where I'm not even going to turn up. I not get none of my energy. And when Evie come on my door and say, Bridget say today, and I'm tell him the same thing. I say, you know, so I go sit it out. Him say, no, man, the Bridget say, I'm going to bring my friend them and it's serious. I'm going to say, it's serious. I'm say, yeah. I'm going to say, all right, me forward.
Talking I might.
I'm going to say, all right, me forward. Him say, it's serious. Put on a tear up jeans deal. I'm going to put on one of them slippers, yeah. See them slippers, rice and peas. I run down one. See them way, show all the camera right too. I'm going to put on that slippers, yeah. I'm going to chew on a mesh marina. I'm just go in a car, I'm have a spliff, I'm just go in a back of a taxi and we drive and we go Sandy Park from Bull Bay. Police stop we on the way and dig way up. I talk with my spliff and hide my spliff and them not search and find nothing. Anyway, the driver did have him license, so he never have to pressure them. Reach a Sandy Park, no one. Evie go in and Storm see Evie and Storm say, oh yes, this is the guy I was telling you about, the people them, and bring forward Evie and left me stand up in a corner and I say, all right. So I sit down on the curb, take out my spliff, light him up. People watching. Paul Buckner see me sit down on the curb, me never see him. And him say, hey you. I say, yeah you. What are you doing here? I'm going to say, well, before I could ever finish it, him say, can you act? I'm going to say, I was born to act. And him say, okay. I'm going to say, I'm a dub poet, you know. And him say, okay, let me hear something. I'm going to say, all right, let me hear something. I'm going to say, this is political. The politician never move to hypocritical. But they think Jamaica for run democratical. It's like it autocratical. You feel the country would have better if it's theocratical. They want to execute the... I'm say, oh my God, get a camera on this guy. Productions pause. Crowd circle gather around me deal. Camera turn on, I mean at the middle, me I say I need to burn them because of the truth me attack. It's a government if I go take a walk, them I go run when gunshots start bark. When them same one make the gun them a bark. And the man I say, what? Paul say, put him in wardrobe, put him in the next scene, give him a gun, give him a hat. And that was a trailer of Better Must Come.
So you never even have the lead yet?
We never even had the lead yet. And then now when them call me if you're reading now, and I go and reading, and them say, blow, who that bridge in here? Them say, who that bridge there come from? I'm say, yo, but it's a, the thing is, yeah, you don't know, say you can do a feature film until you carry a feature film. You think about it, you know, because a man can always do a thing, and you can do a play. It's a different story. When the camera they right up in front of your face, and you're on set for months.
2-3 months.
2-3 months and set for months.
Them are your whole family.
Oh God, man. And you have a friggin', you have a continuity. Cause you look one way, this way, you have to look that way. So if I dirt and mud and thing, you have to go put on but the dirt and mud and thing. So you have to look the same way. And for me, you know, it was new, but it was so exciting, bro. So with that now, when Better Must Come came through poetry, and Better Must Come open the door where everyone starts say blows and skirt. Guy? Who is this Virginia? At that, you know, and then now I go carry in a 2012 we go America Black Film Festival and I go win Best Actor in a lead role. Beat all Isaiah Washington in my brethren. Funnily enough, Isaiah Washington did in a movie named Under Shepherd. So, well, brother, me I tell you, the man in our, when I see the thing go up, I said to Storm, I said to Storm, all right, before we go, Storm message me and say, yo, you're nominated for Best Actor in a Lead Role. And I said, Storm, I go win, you know. And I said, what do you mean? I said, me I go win. He said, it's the America Black Film Festival. There are Americans in the role. We're down in Jamaica. I said, me I go win. I said, me never get nominated for nothing yet and no win, bro.
I wait till they talk, then I give you a joke.
So when I do so now, woman, I build a speech from Jamaica, I build a speech, and then I go there and I see the board, and I see Isaiah Washington in Under Shepherd, Sheldon Shepherd in Better Must Come. And I say, Storm, you see the man who give me the thing already. You know, see the man under me. I say, you know, see the man under. The man have to go come second. You feel me? And then when them call my name, I go up the star, and the people in the crowd are real deal. Them are real for nothing, you know. I just walk up there with a smile. I'm gonna open my mouth, you know, and them turn up on a real, you know. Jamaica energy very, very strong, you know. Potent energy, you know. I say, and then I go up there and I say, I have a speech. And the people, they are real even more. I'm say, quiet. And they are real. Everything I say, they are real, you know, brother. I'm say, I'm feeling kind of high. People, they want to mash up in place. I'm say, what? We're done. Like I'm on a stage in the sky. Them say, oh. I say, to get what you desire, you've got to reach and take your pie. You've got to try. The place I mash up. And then I say, and before I forget, breadfruit is the new bread, baby. Hey, brother, if you could have put that moment in a capsule, shake him up, and take him every time you want to feel up.
You want to get that same push there again.
Brethren.
Brother, that's why it's tell about similarity. You say you never do another road in 10 years. You say a poet get your Better Must Come. How me get Sprinter was me skit off of Instagram. Storm say a skit. A man send him a skit with me a run. So me audition and get Sprinter. CMA BFF Film Festival there. We go there.
Big up Jeff Friday and his wife.
We win 5 out of 6 awards.
Mad.
See him, shit, me never know what to say. Me go up there, me say, hey, me there. You know, me never plan, cause me never know me I win.
See it there.
Me never even
see it there.
Cause to me, as you start about with movie, and me sure you explain your experience with Better Must Come. For me, Sprinter was a big change for me because me did 1 year away from athletics, but with my age and me not understanding film, the workload were me did under in comparison to like, so that the Better Must Come, me did involve acting and running.
Yeah, man.
And me did have to run for real.
Yeah, man.
And you remember you say, if your leg lifting at that scene, I can't drop it the next one.
Man.
So and so I think after that, the way how you transition from the movie to back to your poetry, back to where your first love.
Yeah,
you
we
can
call it that. Yeah, we can call it, to be honest. To be honest.
Comedy
yeah.
are my first love. I always love comedy.
Yeah, yeah.
To me, business are my second love though.
Yeah,
acting,
yeah,
acting for me, they're about fifth. I'm not gonna lie. Acting for me, they're about fifth.
Yeah, for real.
Me just want, for me more, me care about other things. Me definitely I go act again, but for me more than likely that, me tell you from now, me, I go have my own movie.
But I just say it half a day now. Deal. I just say it half a day now.
Me I go have
right
my
now,
own film,
I think,
own company,
you
everything.
know what I think the climate is now geared for the creative. It is not geared for the person who is sitting around waiting to be granted some form of something wrapped in a ribbon. Is the creative right now. That is one of the reasons why I'm even there for create.
True. Technically, we should have been one as you know.
Brethren.
Technically, we should have been
We're from Jamaica,
one
bro. We're from Jamaica. We're in a space and we are do it on the top of the level, Don't feel like we your comedy and your touring and your stand-up show is top tier, is top notch. What you're doing.
Okay, you come already. You come at Thanksgiving,
Rasta.
right? Yeah,
I'm come check
the
in
New
the
York
show,
one.
brother. I'm gonna come see the vibration. I'm gonna come see the thing. I'm gonna come because I want it. I love to do recce's, I love to go into the space and feel how it make me feel. For see how the creative is working. For see if the creative are carry. I feel like sometimes I feel like a culture police. Once I see what them do with the Jamaica culture, I see what them do. I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna see so I scrutinize it, And I look for it, but I love what you do with the culture. I love what you do with the comedy. I love saying left your neighbor string. Left in Jamaica. You feel me? I say, and I love say it palatable and once some different culture can full joy it and overstand it on a level. Keep doing it. Love how you set up your thing. Love. And that's one of the reasons why I'm glad how you're even so. Because this, even you say you want we do something now that we're in a position to do something where big up all them man, the Juki Jam and them man and all of them things there, because them man they also savvy on the social media, and the social media know where everybody there.
If them don't know how much people want to see, them don't know how much people, people are losing. I mentioned Juki Jam right now. Everybody right now, I said, where Juki Jam there?
Oh gosh, bro. But yeah, and I think you have the most respectable platform right now to do that, in my opinion, in my humble opinion. Your platform, it is the most respectable platform right now to and credible to even bring forward a Juki. You feel me? I say in a manner. You know what I mean? In a manner where it go palatable to the nowadays on the go audience.
Him come with him big words, them is.
No, it don't make it look it. You know what I mean? For the nowadays audience, for kind of can hold forward and say, Lord, Juki this and it nostalgic and thing, and them can feel a vibration there. The I platform, it is, I personally love your platform. You know what I mean? I see it every time and I look at it and me laugh at the joke them. I'm not easy for laugh, but me laugh at them and me see them and me say, yo, me love this style and whatever come with. And me love how you're innovative. You do the thing them, you do them different and it's like you keep them guessing. It's like once them things say you You go stuck in that thing, yeah. Where your towel go tie around your head forever.
Yo,
You
people
know what I mean?
ask me back
Them
feet.
ask you back for the towel.
Where your towel there?
Virgin. And it's good because it's memorable, you know what I mean? So,
I tell you what me do, where you actually inspire me to do it. So, you see, when me did the sprinter, me did name Elliott Jr. When sprinter done, everything me name Elliott Jr. And everybody I say, yo, you favor Sheldon. And then they must say Sheppy. Me I type in Sheppy on Instagram and can't find you.
Yeah, find me.
And when me type in your name,
Yes, I 100%.
me see your name come up.
100%.
And me say, you know what deal?
100%.
You need people to know who you is. Say if Sheldon name himself, him name,
100%.
me I put my name.
100%.
I'm change my name to Dale Elliott Jr.
And that's because I'm a father too, you know, my brother. I'm a grandfather, and my grandfather Simeon Shepherd lived to 99 years old, and then say, I want to go. I said, I want to go, and then died 50 days before him become 100. Him just tired of living. But Simeon Shepherd, him did not the military. I almost go World War II. He did not the military. My father, Keith Shepherd, him live under a tree. Him is an artist in paint. Him is an actor, poet, and artist, and him paint stuff, and him paint. My commission a couple of him works, them I have them on my wall, because, and him is an alcoholic to him drink. You feel me? I say him like to drink, but him cool, and the coolest being you gonna ever meet. You feel me? I say? So with me stating my full name, my government, as them would I say, I mean,
Proudite.
Yes, Rasta. And the thing about me always tell people say, yeah, they must say, we are the slave master name. I say, but a shepherd is a shepherd anyway. You know,
no
man. We
what.
take care of sheep. You know what I mean? We lead the flock in a certain way, and you are your name. If you believe in that word, sound, power, vibration.
Yeah, you have to put, me, like, just, I'd say, just the, like, if you can, come me and my father close now. My father, when I come afar, I know my father, you know. So, when I come afar when I 20, that's when me and my father meet him and
Is it?
have relationship with him. And when I name myself Junior, like, now, him there on the road, and people I say, wait. You know, such and such, because me is a man, you know, you see, when me I do a show, if them left off the Junior, me I tell them correct
put on the blouse and skirt,
I gotta
Junior.
respect my father.
Yes, I.
Put on the Junior and don't spell my last name wrong. Put on the next T.
Brethren, pet peeve, spell my last name wrong, you're in trouble. My father used to enter the JCDC festival and win. Whole heap of award, when he my youth. When me start enter the JCDC festival, Faye Ellington and all of them lady there and Leonie Favs who used to be the adjudicators, they used to say, come here, young man. Are you related to Keith Shepherd? I say, yes, it's my father. They say, wow, this is Keith. Come here. You remember Keith? This is Keith Shepherd's son. No. When them say Keith Shepherd, them call him and say, are you related to Sheldon Shepherd?
Yes.
Them say, hey, this is Sheldon Shepherd's father. So
it worked.
Brethren, it's an interesting thing, man, for evil. And it's not like some father was no father of the year, you know, my brother. As
hey, man.
you feel me, I say? But
yo, me would even give my father of the week.
You feel me, I say, my brethren?
Even father of the day. Sorry,
you feel
daddy.
me? Love you, but you know what I mean? Daddy know him do. Him know him style,
exactly.
you know what I mean? But within the vibration.
I think we understand men the whole that we get though.
Yeah. And at that make we sure. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I think.
And at that make we know say and they tend to be some lonely dudes even when they are in crowds. You know what I mean? Even when they're with people, you can see them and you can see them shy. The all of them get is like that macho man where they
that
know
gun.
from little that gun.
You know what I realize? I feel like when for them greatest joy, you know.
Oh gosh.
When them son turn man.
Oh gosh.
So them don't even want thief, nothing. Them just want remember, you know, and my father normally tell me things were good. Me normally don't listen to my father. If my father tell me say the sky blue,
you say
I go to the door go look. I have to see say sky blue. But when my father tell me say, yo, Dale, only man in this world we genuinely want you to better than him is me. You see when him tell me that? He said, the only man.
Real. That is one of the most honest things ever said.
The only man in the world.
Nobody. No matter. I could have your brother, you know. I could have your.
The only man.
The only man in the world who genuinely wanted to do better than him
is your father.
You feel me?
You will never find a man.
Yeah, man.
Where one you man. The only man.
Real talk, man. That's why I Sheldon Shepherd on every platform, bro. And I'm good for know that still because I always tell people for champion them name. You know how artists struggle for finding an alias. You know what I mean? Them say, I call myself. You know what I mean? And some man call themselves all sort of things.
Some man have some good name though.
Yeah.
Hey, some of them brother have some
name in a man. Come on. But look here, Bob Marley. What him name? Bob Marley. Robert Marley. Bob. Call himself in
Michael
name.
Jackson name.
Michael Jackson.
Drake name Drake.
A Drake him name for true? A Drake him name for true? No.
Why Drake right name?
Aubrey him name.
Aubrey.
Drake
name Drake.
No,
damn, I'm a big Drake fan. Drake should have named Drake. But yeah.
Him the name Drake.
There's always exceptions to the rule.
Always exceptions to the rule.
No matter what, but if we are going to look on the
grand scale of things.
The grand scale of things, majority are great people.
Have them name, man. Them carry that name. And everywhere I go when people say Sheldon Shepherd, I say, what kind of name this? And I tell you something about my name.
You have a standout name.
Yeah. I tell you something about the name. You know, say nobody don't know who name me.
What do you mean? Your mother and your father?
My mother and my father, nobody don't know who name me. My father did want my name Kevon Shepherd because his name Keith and him did have a best friend named Rayvon. And him take off the key off of Keith and the van off and put him Kevon Shepherd. That was my name. I'm going to get Woody pan name. Ready to do them. Say, name the baby this, name the baby that, name the baby. Everybody want to name the baby. When I think me did hear say one of my auntie did go sign up a thing, my mother did, when them come home with the thing and them look at the paper, and my mother say, who this? Every time I think about it, I laugh. My father vex. You know, say since I get popular, and since I get known, my father call me Sheldon. All through my life is Kevon, my father call me. As the media make my father call me Sheldon. You know?
Yo, you see how Jamaican people stay? Nah, call your name, you know.
My father, Kevon, and my family them call me Kevon because my father call me Kevon. Kevon, my girlfriend them from long time, from high school, and them tell me Kevon. Nobody don't call me Sheldon. People don't know me call me Sheldon, but nowadays.
Yeah, no.
And my mother Mira call me Sheldon. I say,
when it reaches the part for she call you Sheldon.
So I tell people say a John name me. You know what I mean? I say we call the name. Nobody don't know who name me. Me don't know who name me, my brother.
A Baby Deal, my name for years.
Baby Deal. I see that sketch there.
Baby Deal.
Baby Deal. When the homeless man say the cocaine, he say Baby Deal. It's in your mind. I love it.
Yes. Baby Deal. So from your little pitney, people always used to say, me and my father pitney. So Baby Deals.
Yeah, man.
So even when me turn big man, I say, all right, I'm going to name Junior then.
And it's a strong name. Dale Elliott Jr. It's a strong name. It flows. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I remember when you did have the Ellie Diviner for true.
Most memorable time, I think.
Yeah.
And see, the crazy part about it is I always go back to that. So you see, like, if I feel like I go through like a creative block or whatever,
yeah,
me believe in a pay will pay me. And I see him thing come a foreign, don't act, come a foreign, you know the big speech. Oh, your life is about to change right now.
Oh gosh.
You know what is gonna happen to your life right now. You know that. Remember that thought there.
Gosh.
Hey, everything is gonna be different as of now.
The different is the best word.
It's coming. Don't worry, the change is coming. I get all of them thing there.
People think America is you just come on the streets paved with gold.
America is where you make it, you know.
America, no street, no paved with no gold. I see them street rasta. You just have to know what you do. You have to come to America with a plan and a strategy. You can't come to America come expect nothing for dropping in your hand. Some people lucky, and things dropping in them hand. Things dropping in your hand in America. Luck there.
Listen to me. Luck. What is opportunity?
Totally.
Where preparation meets opportunity.
Totally.
You see
Lady
if you're
luck
prepared,
is with you, man.
you have to lucky.
Yeah, man. You have to lucky, man. Lady luck is there,
no man
man.
make it by buck-ups.
No. Luck is there. Luck is
luck
the energy.
Night,
call it luck. Yeah. Let's use that.
Lucky night. No care how you look into it. Lucky night. Yeah. Because I just saw it work. If you never go there, he wouldn't see you. if him never dey on the internet, he wouldn't see me. If Kadeem never outgrow Akeem, me wouldn't play a sprinter.
True. Because when Sprinter, by the way, when Sprinter did come forward, me did play the big brother and Kadeem.
And Kadeem was supposed to play little brother.
So, we have the work where I work on it with Storm and all of them stuff.
And it take years.
You see, even for me, in a Jamaica, my lord, it been tough, After Better Must Come, as I say, it's 10 years. And then right after Better Must Come and the
Yardie.
Nomads and thing, and I get Yardie. Or I get Yardie is I did so hungry for work.
Mm-hmm.
When Cecile Barrows called me and say, Sheppy, there's a role here for you. I know it's yours. Because she like whisper when she talk on the phone and she sound dramatic. She say, there's a role for you. I know it's yours. Come get it, baby. And she say, send me the script. And she sent me a script, my brother, and I read it, It's the first time in my life I ever dressed the part. I'm going to my closet to say I'm going to look for King Fox. Them time they on the script him the name Prince 90. Can you get when I'm two, must did shut off and him have 9 to them did have the backstory there.
Yeah.
I'm say so him have a limp. I'm gonna do something. They have some canes with nomads where attire is ragamuffin mix elegant. So we always in our suits and thing, our tweed and rare. Some of them have my beats, them are ready. Some of us draw for a felt and do some stuff my natty and that. Can I make up my mind? I say King Fox now gonna be a rasta. I'm gonna stuff my natty underneath the felt. I'm gonna do some boom. I'm gonna set it. I'm gonna do some boom and throw. I'm gonna grab my sticker. I'm gonna take a taxi to the audition and do some step out of the car and limp.
Already.
When them say, Sheldon, are you okay? I say, just easy. Where's the room? I'm a limp going in the room and them have me in the room. I wait and them say, Idris soon come. Because Idris and one of the producers they did it. But wait about half an hour in the room, sit down or more, brother. Room did all hot too. I sweat. I'm in there, I'm stay so, I'm waiting. I'm say, I read the entire script, so I know this thing in and out, We prepare. Idris come in and him start ask me question and start do things. I'm start play the scene them and them have me in there for about an hour, brethren, I jump through hoops, brethren, I sweat even more, And them say, okay, mate, you got a role, mate. I just wanted to see your range. That was it. Them say them see a whole heap of people. Them see people at England and they were leaving that the next morning, they were leaving Jamaica. Me are the last person them see. Saying that for said this. Sometime who you expect for a play for you by your team, like your community, when know you, sometime you just have to make sure say it's surround you so them can't go around you.
Yo. You're so right.
You just have to make sure it's surround you so them can't go around you. Because you know what that proved to me? Somewhere along the line, them didn't want to go around me, my brother.
Yeah, what you say? Somewhere along the line. Them your name come up
and somebody
and
them say, yes, Tom Strokes. And them try Tom Strokes, them try John Tom, then them try Joe Grinaldi, then them try they try everybody. And then them say, sure. My face, that's what them look at it. They say, sure.
My grandmother said, Dale, you know what with you? Women never worry about with you, Dale. Dale, nobody no billionaire, so they can't kill you.
Yeah.
So nobody know. So you see, as long as
yeah, man, and that was the vibe, man. A real talk, man. So and that way, so admirable about the position where the eye inner comedy, social. Yeah, ever.
I may go back to act.
And acting. You go back. It's not like you stop.
No, man, me not lie. It's like how you. Let me tell you something. Right now, me, you see from me the sprinter, brother. From 2020, me not watch that back. One, me not watch that back.
No.
Two,
no, don't watch it.
Me audition for one thing. Since then, was a self-tape. Me never even like it. And me also, me in a survival mode, brother. When me done sprint, I'm a move come to America, me in a survival mode. Tell me audition for nothing. Cause you know, me hear so much bullshit in my ears. Me no want to hear that. At the end of the day, Dale, what can you do? Funny. Focus on funny. Them will come.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Just
man.
focus on funny.
Yeah, man.
Focus on the people that were in front of you.
Yeah, man.
And build your audience. Because as you say, we as creative people, and I don't know if this kind of controversial. We don't have an industry for such a small industry. When I say that, I mean we have a country with 3 million people, right?
Yeah.
Music is the biggest export.
Yeah.
Theater, after music, I would have said theater.
Totally. The arts, bro.
The arts.
Bro.
The arts.
You know what I mean?
From where Pitney, JCDC, with the different performances, people perform with the plays, we go liquor theater, that's been our thing. We used to have multiple, I used to buy Oliver CD at town, and this was
it's a thing. It's obvious that it can be a thriving industry.
Exactly. It was a whole industry.
But we don't invest in it.
But guess what? So my time I didn't even think them investing in nothing.
No, man, them invest in a things, man, deal. Like what you say, man, them invest in a call center, you know. Them invest in a what else them invest in a? Them invest in a road. Transportation is necessary. Where else them invest in a?
Here what me believe. Me believe, as I put on my business investor hat, we as the creators or as the entertainers, we have to get value. We have to develop the value in ourselves with creating our resume. Because you know me realizing in life, God help those who help themselves.
Yeah, but
no
that
man
has been
get
proven,
up and just believe in a no
that
man.
has been proven. All right, let me show you something. Look what we do with the liquor that we have. All right, I can call names. You remember when Shibada and Del Cita and Stages did a run Jamaica, and every time them an advert, and me did a play in a Money Worries and as an actor, and me see Stages Theatre bring out. They did a 2-for-1 on a Mother's Day and bring out 15,000 heads inside of a venue in Kingston. Seated. And then each of them head they will come and buy a DVD for watch a play to at the gate. And everybody did spend most about $2,000 them time there for a ticket.
We had a whole industry.
Brethren, and the man them a play 6 nights, 5 nights a week. Liquor theater, the small theater hold 150, 120 people, and outside theater hold 500, and on weekends them take it to the blouse and skirt country where them a put out 2,000 to 3,000 chairs. It's obvious that it can work.
That's why I say, we have one industry, which is we have the music industry, and the music industry is, I would have said, I put that up there, but me just not understand the biggest disregard. One of my biggest thing them right now, what me I see, what me I go through, me I do shows basically all over the world. England, Europe, Canada, Caribbean. Me not go Jamaica yet. Me I got Jamaica this year. You know what I realized last week? Jamaica, we do so much music. We don't have a performing arts theater.
We don't have a music hall, we don't have a performing arts theater, nothing. Our best, let me tell you this, me in a theater, our best theater, the best theater, most comfortable theater where the ear is proper and the acoustic good, is a little theater not the little theater, is a little theater that seats 250 people on the University of West Indies campus. It named Philip Sherlock Theatre. That is our best space, in my opinion. The little theater seats 600 people, but you have to go book your sound, and I think the air condition and all that great. Because one time I did in there and it did hot. And then now you have other places where them kind of make into theater vibration, like say Courtly Auditorium, that seat was 400 people. But it's not a theater. The acoustics not good enough. You can't really project in other space there. You can, but it need little help. Me play night already.
Here was my worry. Like, to me, bam, I gotta do a show at Jamaica this year. But now I'm telling them a venue yet. But in looking for the venues, the nerves when we start go through, because me live in America or me expose to theaters.
Of course,
where
man.
the sound proper,
Of
me not have
course,
to
man.
find a sound.
Of course,
Me not have
man.
to find a stage.
No, you have to go find some lights.
Me not have to find a light. Trinidad have a venue right now, 1,500 people, big, nice, pretty, cheer there. Good. Belize, venue, cheer there. Bahamas, me have 5 hotels to choose from. Jamaica, land of wood and water can put some wood together and we have one national theater.
We have at least 3 or 5 theaters in some of the main commercial parishes.
How is it that the
And
country
it's not
don't
difficult.
have it?
It's not difficult. It's just priorities, my bro. It's priority. Them now. Remember saying no, it's not a thing where them prioritize because it kind of them never know how to tax it. So them not prioritize it on a level. I feel this is just my opinion. So them not prioritize it on a level. You know what I mean? So then now, and it was always rogue, and it was always it don't look like say it iffy. You know what I mean? And it's really the outcasts do it. You know.
Do you think that is? Do you think the lack of performing arts infrastructure is directly impacting the level of talent we export?
In more ways than one. Here, wow. Them say diamond farm under pressure. You realize how we're tough?
Yeah.
You realize how we're tougher than everything in the Caribbean? You realize how we're tougher than everything in the Americas? You realize how Jamaican stuff? You realize how much genre we have? You realize... One producer even tell me one time, I say, him like to keep the artists under pressure because the artists make quality art when they're under pressure, like when they're hungry. When I hear it first, I say, what kind of wicked thing that I say? But then I'm going to think about it. I'm going to think about it and I say it, yes. However, there is method to the madness. You feel me? I
don't want nobody with a good father around me.
Brother.
You have to go through some struggle.
Brother, you have to go through some struggle. All right, look on the one. Listen, that's why I have to kick down my little son, Joe. But may I show you the pressure. I man go through pressure, Rasta. Hungry days, I have to band my belly and pretend like say, but enough ones were in a creative world too, especially when them go fancy creative schools and thing and them come forward, them don't know no struggle. So even the music what them a make, it don't have that feeling. Them just a regurgitate things what them learn from the past.
The grit.
Brother, I don't have no grit. One producer said to me, and said, Sheldon, how you come up with them melodies here? Big time producer in New York. Big time engineer, mastering engineer, lecture at universities. And him say, you come up with them things. I'm say, I just the dub poetry embedded in me and them just come to me like the whispers and the wind and I'm gonna tell him say, what me I learn now is me I learn to translate them with instruments. And him say, yeah, that's good. However, I know a lot of musicians and I teach them and I lecture them and none of them have original melodies like you. They all play what they know. Him say you can find musicians a dime a dozen. Hum to them what you want them to play and they'll play it. Don't lose your creativity. Him never tell me enough to learn the music or enough to do anything, but him say, be mindful of that little gift. Maybe I never see it because it come to me so easy.
Sheldon, every time me get comfortable, me as a man, you see, if me comfortable, me I rough up everything. Because me no expand in a comfort.
I wish actor said that radio, your brother. Him say go in a zone and plan for fuck up. Him say go in a, him say have you ever, we're always going into say I don't want to fuck up.
No.
But go in a zone and say I go fuck up.
If it don't me like that pressure of what you need for do now. So like just like with comedy, with my method of comedy was the towel on my head. Then me start jump off of the wall them. Then me start do some little skit when me I talk to myself. Then me go back to the mother. Then me start make the music video them. Then me start do the reaction to people video. And then me might go to something else.
Yes,
and then me make a song and do music video for the song. And it's just me keep on a go and go. Make the money, spending all of the money pan big fancy studio cars, make it stress me, make me can't pay it and lose everything. Because at the end of the day,
that's the art to them, my
you're
brother.
not going to tell me say me at the same level where you see me last year.
No, I can't.
I mean, always I work on something. That is when we learn from America.
Yeah.
When we learn here and from people here is always work on I always have something working on.
Yeah, man.
So when a man see you, I say, so what are you doing now? Never you don't have something to do.
Yeah, yeah.
Especially if you don't do 9 to 5.
Exactly.
If you don't do 9 to 5 and you tell me you don't have a plan.
Have nothing.
If you
What
can't tell me how your next, if you can't tell me what your plan is for the next 2 years.
Yeah, keep it 2, yeah.
Keep
for the
it
next 2
2
years, then something is not right.
You have to
Especially
set
if you
up
are
yourself.
creative.
If you are creative,
Yeah,
even
man, you're
you
right.
where I watch this right now, if you are think about for the YouTube or acting or whatever, have that 2-year plan.
For real.
You need a 2-year
real.
plan there because you never. It's not if the opportunity are coming up.
It a go come. I see when the Puma deal did come deal. With just use the money and book Grizzlies, rent an office space and book Grizzlies because Grizzlies was the biggest sound and stage provider in Jamaica at the time.
Yeah.
And we book Grizzlies and rent an office space around there and say we'll do shows them and we just keep shows, we'll get venues and we say Grizzlies there. So what we're going to do is we'll work out a situation with Grizzlies and we'll pay them a percentage off of the ticket sales and we'll just set up things and we in the gym, one gym upstairs and we'll pump iron and we'll fit up ourselves and we'll think and then phone ring. I'm get a call from Cecile Barros again. And she said, Sheppy, Puma is in Jamaica and they're doing an ad. They want to see all the bands in Jamaica, but I know it is yours, baby. Come get it. When Cecile said that, I say, all right, auntie, I'm coming. When we reach them, my brother, every band, old band, young band, fresh band, steel band, everybody did it because they were looking for a concept called the fastest band because they had the fastest man.
Right when you not exercise.
Right when we are blood fire exercise.
So that a luck and preparation.
Brother, when we reach there, we're pumping. We pump. So we pump, we pump. And the director, I say, the way we pump, it's like me have a matic in my hand, bro. It's a beat shot, my brother. Me stay so them say, okay guys, just run around and sing a song. And we say, all right, I say, I don't plan to, so I say, we'll sing 3 songs. We'll sing Heaven on Earth, not Steps and Other, Heaven on Earth, The Trad, and Pukupu.
Yo. We need, yes, give you the background behind that. You see that Pukupu thing there?
Brethren.
Yeah, the whole of I probably the
Brethren,
world, because we couldn't go far in yet.
Brethren. When we do Sabuma, we stay so, and them say, and we sing, make my heaven on earth. And we're playing, we're running with it. And them say, okay, you got another song? And we say, yeah. And we sing the Chad. Chadan and down and down. And them say, yeah. Them say, you got another song? We say, we say, everybody the song. Because when they hear the poo, them say, it's on like Puma. And them things say, we make it up on the spot for Puma, but they never know say a song we release already, you know. So we stay so now and play this song. And them say, what? And people stop. And everybody stop. And everybody stop. And it was a moment. And then when them say, okay, and we'll go home now. And see that. One time when the director there said something to me, one of the cameraman from Jamaica there said, oh, just let me say, yeah, easy man, you are doing this thing our way. In front, and them capture that I'm here say the Puma people they love that bit there. when them say I like that band, they got style, they got fire. So we say, watch out. We'll go home and we get the car from Auntie. She say, baby, you get it. I'ma say, blow. I'ma tell the man, I say, yeah, we get it. We're gonna run with you, Usain Bolt, and sing as the fastest band. And they want your song as well. That puka thing you were doing. We say, yeah, man, we're gonna do it, man. Get on set, we chop off our pants foot. Cause we wear our clothes tonight. Some of the man, I wear my pants. My signature was black, white, and grey from Nomads as the returning resident. Tweed, lens, I will make one thing. We line it called Manalion. You feel me? I say? So we make all our clothes, them, and we used to drive around in some vintage, some old Benz.
Remember?
And the idea was ragamuffin meets elegance. You feel me? I say? So it was all theatre, bro. The entire structure of the Nomads was theatre. Pukupu came. We were in the house cleaning. I think it was a Saturday from moving around, and Evie was moving from his room to the kitchen just to do things, and I utters this sound in the pan. I stay from mine. I say, what that? I'm gonna go over in room. I say, me hear you say something a while ago. What you say? And I say, what? I say, something you sing something a while ago. And him say, I say, what that? Where? Him say, nothing. I say, that bad. And him say, where you talk about? I say, that bad. And then we gather. I'm going to say, yo, we have a piece named Yardie. So one of our brethren used to do from high school. And him used to do it in a way when him said the line, what is? Him used to do, what is? I used to laugh at him because dub poetry style was not wicked like our one. And I said to the crew, I said, I bet I'm going to go for that old dub poetry style where never wicked. I make it wicked. I make people. And they say, oh, I say, yeah. What? And then we start to say, all right, what is this now? We start to design it now. Censorship. Boop, 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 boop. We say it's censorship. So, and them always want to censor the poets. So we say, we have a line that we say, bongo clerk, pushing cart, grass cart, bumbo clot, pussy clot, ras clot, which is bad word. So we start to say, all right then. And the language in the pieces, it's a protest, unrest, and one more time, another system is put to the test. Pearl Harbor, Hiroshima, Twin Tower, what is? Teacher teach, liar law, preacher preach, police a draw. What is? So it was a profanity for us was the action of profanity, not necessarily the words. Because we say bumbo clot because we're excited about something. And I say we want to kill somebody. But when men gather around table and plan, say they're going to drop bomb on other people and blow up this thing and strategize wars, we say that is profane dialogue. That is profanity. So then we start to say, whoa, this have meaning now. Right there as youths, I did I architect the thing with my brothers, a structure out just from a sound where we hear. And then that sound got to the Puma stages. And then Puma push it to the world. And then everybody starts saying it more and more. Because it was already an underground hit, before Puma, Because every time we go out, we show it to open with our clothes with. Because you can't put that in a middle. It have to open our clothes to show.
Facts.
You see what I say? Once you hear the Puma gathering time, fowl get feed. You feel me? I say? So that was the whole vibration behind the before and behind and around.
Right. So you do Yardie. You do the Puma.
Yeah.
And then I would have say your next big role was the most recent one.
The
Bob Marley movie.
Bob Marley movie. And Bob Marley movie, that one they come magical as well, my brother. Most of my roles, them. That is one of the reasons why I'm not too pressure acting in a deal. Because my roles always forward to me, the best roles and the right roles. So enough people they think I never read for the Bob role. I read for the Bob role, but I read for it on my own time because I never want to play the Bob role. I never want to play it because from youth, I never want to play the Bob role. I never want to get stuck in being called Bob because Bob Marley teach we to be so individual where with such a big image and a big expression and a big personality of Bob Marley, we kind of want to set our own personality and our own vibration. And me feel like say if I play Bob, I go play it so well that it go stuck. And I never want it stuck.
Every day, man, I go call you Bob Marley.
Man, I go call me Bob Marley. I never want it stuck. You get what I say? So I look upon it and I say to myself as a youth, from day one, I say I don't want to play Bob. That's a one role I don't want to play. I rather play all Peter Tosh. Because then now I can experiment with it. And I can ride around on a unicycle and play a M16 guitar. You know what I mean? So I read for Bob, I read for Bonnie, I read for Peter, I read and the producers and everybody for the film, them, the director and even Kingsley himself, they must say, we have to find something for that brethren here. We need this brethren here. And I just stand up at the audition one at a time, and then Karine from the casting company, I remember when she picked up her paper and she said, and she tell the director, say, what do you think about that role here? And I said, oh yeah, let him read for that. And then give me a role. It was Neville Garrick, the art director. I'm going to look on it and I said, Neville Garrick. Because in my mind, the name now ring no blouse and skirt bell with an image. Hold on, no deal. I said, Neville Garrick. When I do so, I'm going to Google it. I'm going to look on the Google. I'm going to say, blow over that brother here. Where in every image, when every picture, I say, who the art director, brother, I never know say him, brother. I know the brother, but I never know say
why
him.
Everything look the way it look.
What? I say, then when I say, then no, I say, look at that brother, you're skinny like me. That I say in my mind. I said, then the brother, then no me, this man. And then the brother used to go, KC.
Yo,
Mr. Johnson used to teach the brother art. Mr. Johnson was my principal before Mr. Wally Johnson. And me and him sit down and talk about it too after I get the role. So I see the role, I'm going to go outside. I'm going to read about it. I'm going to say blouse and skirt. I'm going to scratch up the thing. I'm going to go back in the audition. I'm going to do some, nyam it up. And then I'm say, all right, we talk to you later. I'm going to step out and do some woman move. And On my birthday, them call me and I did have the play UA when I'm pitchy patchy. I did do that play the other day and it was my benefit night for my charity, Eve for Life. So I tell them, I can't come today, you know. Them said, no, we need you to meet the actor who is playing Bob now so we can size you guys up to make sure, you know, because Neville was supposed to be taller than Bob, but on paper you're 6'1" and he's 6'1". So I say, okay, okay, all right. I say, what time can I have a show? And them say, for come X time, early time, I go to brother, I wait, and then them come in and then they size me up and then I almost late for my show, I'm strong. Them say, all right, the role, they call me back and say, yes, Sheldon, you get the role to play Neville Garrick in the film. Neville became number 4 on the call sheet.
Yeah.
Peter and Bunny and all of them other characters, they never even met the film. For sure, yo.
Peter and Bunny never in the film?
They didn't have the film, but they never met the main film that was released. They were in the cut scenes.
Oh, so them cut
Thank
most
you
of them.
very much. So now me end up in the film more than me not like every scene as a fly on the wall. That was Neville's. We see him in the picture there. We see him.
Fly up on the wall.
Brother, and if it were up to Neville, while we were filming, Mo didn't even have a line because sometimes even the directors tell me one thing, the director say, hey Sheldon, we're missing you. We need you more. I'm going to say, hey, Neville tell me, say him never did that end up. He's like, Sheldon, if you follow Neville, you will not be in this film. You know what I mean? Because Neville will be like, I wasn't so much up front, you know. I just did drive him more time. And then now, if him say so, I would have like organized things for him and thing, and would just sit down and easy myself and focus on my thing, the light and the album cover. But me never saw, you know, in everything.
Never know say a movie.
Never a movie, you know, never. If me do that, we not go see you, and nobody not gonna know you're legend. You know what I mean? So, and I tell people, say, I get the best role in the film, bro. In my opinion, because I got to share with people someone who them never know. You feel me, I say? And it become even so much a part of me where even, let me tell you this, I write a poem in my mind when people impact me, not even me like do it. The whispers and the wind normally allow me to write a piece about them. You feel me?
Yeah.
So now, the whisper tell me, say, write a piece about Neville. Neville got sick, right? I never bonded. In my trailer, me and him power, me and him. Me love Neville. You feel me, I say? And me and Neville will have bond. And the whisper tell me, say, after the film, say, even while we were filming, whisper say, you have to write something about Neville. You know? I say, yeah, man, that will come. And the whisper say, write something. On 11/11, November 11, 2 years ago, me in my bed in New York, I rest up. I'm going to get a joke out of my sleep. Boom, lick up on my side, bend up. About 3 a.m. I'm going to get up, I'm going to just take up my pen and I'm going to start write. Them no bigger than Neville Garrick. Out quicker than a pack of cigarette. Turn up the light, Bob says sweating at the crepe. Them no bigger than Neville Garrick. Immortally burlap portrait. Them no bigger than Neville Garrick. Jump from the beam and watch me jumping at the jet. Them no bigger than Empress to the key. I use it, jump out of the lift. Meet me at the room and make a chat about it. Moneyball, Pem. Skipper say for roll a bigger spliff. Ask Blackwell who forget the credit. Revolution in a ink coloring the music. 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 Them no bigger than Neville Garrick, out quicker than a... And so I write it to my brother. And then I say, a little painter youth from Kingston, Jamaica. Him call him Daddy Kenneth and him mother Baba, daughter Naomi and him son Nesta. Kingston College and him alma mater. Graduate UCLA, him was a big baller. Art director for the newspaper. Big spliff up in a jar, step past the officer. Ask him anything about Ethiopia. Bob Marley see the youth and say, Garrick, watch ya. What you really think you can do for Rasta? Neville turn to the gang and say, hear me skipper. Me no have no mic and me no have no guitar, but with me paintbrush, crocus bag and them a lighter. Them no uncle, I go hear them, I go get the picture. Bim! Them no bigger than Neville Garrick.
Bombo.
I'm done it, deal. I'ma say blow out. In my mind, guess what I'm saying in my mind? I say, a blast bitter sound like a eulogy. I'ma shake it off of my head. It just say, because sometimes some unconscious thing come to your meditation, you know. I'ma say, it sound like a eulogy. I'ma shake it off. I'ma say, I'm gonna message Neville. He was in the hospital. I say, I'm gonna send it to him. I say, no, man, when him come out, I send it. I'ma go to Jamaica. It was the 11th. I go to Jamaica on the 12th or the 13th. When I reach my yard at Jamaica, I did there away for so long. I never have no electricity, I never have no internet. On the 15th, I get back my electricity and my internet and my phone go. Everybody I tell me condolences. That's how I found out Neville died on the 14th of November. That is how I call him son and message next time. I say, true? And next I say, yeah, man. And I say, I'd see me son in a chair, I'm just a ball. Tears are running on my face. And I said, John, no, I wish me to send him the piece.
The piece.
But I know him know it. Because him wake me up. I him wake me up and say, go on. Write it before. No write it after. You dig? So, and of them things that to me, the mystics of life, most of my things, them, the beauty about art for me is that I would say it effortless. However, the effort is natural because I live as an artist.
Yeah.
You feel me? I say I live as a creative.
But the thing is, I can't feel it.
Don't it?
So like that's what I say. You exude what you is. You are what you is. Like when you talk, we can see your words. See, like to me, you see penmanship, putting words together, memory. I think for me is I see the thing. I see the thing, and I want to make it. You will write it. Like you probably write where you see.
Yeah, man. When it forward. I call it the whisper on the wind.
When me see something, me not really write it down. I want see it.
Yeah, I get you.
So like for instance, like how me do my comedy.
Yeah.
My comedy is what did I go through in my life that bring me to a place I hurt. And whatever me feel me hurt, that's where me I go pull me laughter from.
Interesting.
And I work on my comedy on the stage.
Interesting.
So I build as I go along, but I cannot write it.
Interesting.
So like when we say me I go,
that's good
make
too,
a
you know.
movie.
That's very good, you know. Go ahead.
Yeah. So like, say 2 hours for work together.
Yeah.
You would have to write it.
I get what you mean. Because
see, if you write it, me can put wherever you write, just make me see it.
Yes, Rasta, me get it, man.
Me can create that.
Man. Me get it, don't feel away, man. Me get them, me meds all the eye work now.
So me think, once me see it,
yes,
once me start see it, like when me there right now, me see this already. Everything what me are doing in my life right now, me see myself I do it. Me see myself from me a little picnic, from me a 7, 8 years old, sit down at the gully bank at my yard, a perform stand up. Me used to perform the Cat William Chronicles. Me used to act like Jokey Jam. Me used to do the walk. Me used to see it. Me used to see myself I do what me I do. But if you write, me will write like a song.
Yeah.
And give somebody. Or me will write something and give somebody. But me not feel like writing. Although me have one in English and literature, but I don't think I'm a strong point that.
Yeah. I love creative writing, man. I have a couple of scripts when I plan. When I get big and boss big, I go direct them. Because I love directing, you know. Directing, I feel like directing is what I would love to think it's my strongest suit, personally. I would love to think that for myself. It makes me feel better.
But you have a body at work.
Yeah.
You know what I tell people? We are the director. Like, me are the director. Me are the AD. Me are the executive producer.
You better know.
Me are the talent. Me are the business. Me are me.
You better know.
And then
real.
When you realize you are that, what I think we as creative people and entertainers, what we need to do and what we are the examples of right now is how do we turn the talent, separate the talent from the business and make sure that we are operating on a talent frequency and business frequency at the same time. Because I would say, I think everybody will work and everybody not deserve respect, but you would want what you're doing to be respected.
Totally.
And is how we brand, we branding, with speech, everything come together for demand that respect.
And people love to. The thing I learn about audiences and people and human being, our nature is we aspire. Naturally, we want to grow, you know.
No matter what.
Naturally, we want to thrive. We want to grow. We aspire. So when people see things, them say, wow, and it give them it spark something within them imagination, and them say, that's not bad. You know what I mean? It's like them can say, I can, wow. You know what I mean? Even, wow, they'll cut him here, that trim there, wow. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Look where I got them now. It's like, we there to sit down and talk. Somebody I go see this. And somebody I go say, why Dale and Sheldon never do a movie together yet?
Them stay there.
No, but
trouble.
Yeah, but it's just
Yeah, man, we can do things, man. The thing is, for we sit on this cause, this reason here, down the road from me, I'm there, you know, Rastafari, right? So I'm road me there, you know, I'm do some woman flash forward and think, cause even though it feels like a no-brainer, nothing not on before the time. And me not running at people and I sense that from you too.
Oh yeah, man.
I sense that from your energy too. I mean I say, all right, good, him not running. All right, good. Which is cool. Enough ones running in, brother, me not really.
You know why me not running?
You know what I mean?
I mean I tell you the honest truth why me not running, brother. Me not bluff.
Give thanks.
Me no bluff.
Give thanks.
Me no shit talk.
Give thanks.
Me not a
Give
time
thanks.
feet.
And at that me notice with the eye.
You see, if you hear me say, yo, me I gotta do this.
Yeah, man.
Me kinda.
And me love call people bluffing a deal.
Yeah, man.
As me flying from Jamaica, you know, you see my message, yo.
Yo, me there.
Last time we meet, you tell me say, yo, me could do this now. Me say, all right, me I go Jamaica for a month. When me reach,
when
me
you
go
reach,
link
you tell me, all right. And when you message me, when me say to you, as soon as me reach back.
That day,
And when me reach back,
yeah.
Because living in LA and being in the acting industry.
Away I say, man, bunch of bluffers.
Being in the
I love it though.
Yo, me say, listen to me. You will never find a set of bluffers. But everybody play them part.
Yeah, man, that's true.
But the thing is, people have to see we do our own thing to inspire
I
them.
So. Totally, I feel so. I 100% feel
to want to do what we're doing. So you have your music going because you say you have an album.
I have an album forward. I have an album. Give thanks on that album. They happened the same flipping way. Me there Belgium, I host a festival, a reggae festival named Reggae Gale. I mean, I host it because you don't know we did it and nothing really go on, Nomad's thing now go on, and me did there and I do my recce because every time I study them festivals, I study the music, I study them things, I learn what not to do and what to do. So I did there and I host a festival and I host the one there deliberately because one, the whole of the Marley them they depend on show the younger generation. YG did have him big tune and him they depend on it. Skip did depend on it. Jojo did depend on it.
My generation.
You see me I say the whole of I say, you know, so I want to hear them youths, yeah. I want to hear them and I want to suss them out and see where I go on with them performance style because I'm big on performance, stage presentation. So I did there and I host two festival, the main stage for the 2 nights, you know, bro. I call on every flipping act on the 2 stage them. So I not miss me. So I did there and Sidella did there the show too because she forward with skips. And I did backside stage and she see me and she said, Sheldon, what going on? I host now. I was say, you know, I said, yeah, no, but you know, she said, what am music? I said, I have some music, you know, but I'm me, you know, I know the group. And she said, would I love to hear what you are do? And I say, all right, I'm going to call her bluff.
Always do something.
Away I say, brother, I'm going to do some and email her some stuff. And she do some she call my bluff, she email me back response. And with her quote from the pieces for sure, so she listened to them. And I say, wow. She listened to them and she said, I would love to distribute this. I'm going to say no more. And then the project just stays so vroopstum, vroopstum, vroopstum. The piece about Neville Garrett. The piece, and then I have an interview with Neville Garrett. And I'm talk about the night of the shooting. Him tell me some things, deal. I tell you something I can't even share.
Yeah, man, I know.
Never tell me some things I can't share. The man tell me some things about how him and Bob used to operate. You see all the line, I say, Empress to the key, I use it, jump out of the lift, meet me at the room, and make a chat about it.
Yeah.
Never used to slip him room key to the girl them and send a set of girls backstage to the musicians. And the one where him like him used to slip him room key and say, don't go backstage, you know. Cause Bob them are gonna take you away. So don't go. And he used to carry. So Bob buck him up one day and say, hey, never guy, can say you're Gina, you know. I'm say, what am I do, Skip? What am I do? And the man say, you slip the girl them your room key. And he say, Skip, I would never do that. You know what I mean? Bob catch him. You know what I mean? And that's their relationship. It was like a brother vibration. But them did, you see like how young you up on road and man I say, blow that girl. The man them was human to brother.
Yeah.
The man them did normal to brother. The man them...
Brother, Bob Marley drop out at 36.
Brother,
You know?
he's a kid.
I picked that, you know. A young
kid.
man that, you know.
He's a young youth. But him they have a ancient message and an ancient vibration we make with imagine him larger than life and we imagine him like beyond human. You know what I mean? So when
Because him did relentless.
brother, it was inhumane and unhuman-like for where Bob take on with him journey. And that is one of the reasons why I respect the legacy and the family. All right. I said this to people. I said, look at the Marley legacy. Look at the Marley family. Which other royal, I'm going to put it in a quote, which other royal family you know were more impactful in the world?
Right.
Call it to you know, me talk. More you bring the monarchs in it too. More you bring political families in it too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and more you think about it.
I can't tell you, in a music, to me, the pinnacle of, when you talk about man, greats picnic don't normally do much. Bob Marley left him son them and Bob Marley's son them transcend all.
Brother.
You know, see no other family member will do that. In a entertainment,
and
Michael Jordan will never have a son like him.
Brother. Michael Jackson? No.
No. Bob Marley have him youth them, and him youth them.
I'm for them youth them.
And them
still.
So if we are gonna talk about if we are gonna talk about music,
people think it's actually Jamaican. Why may I say?
But I really think
it's an analysis.
Brother, me don't know what kind of genes him have, cause that a G
No
star.
man, that are something different, Levi. You see them have something different.
Whatever genes, them man they wear different jeans from like regular people jeans.
And funnily enough, you know, pure denim them wearing.
Yeah, exactly.
See the blood fire.
Brother, whatever jeans Bob Marley have,
I love
why
it.
one of them walk alike, talk alike, sing alike, sound alike?
Brethren.
All of them, brother, remember, you know, Bob Marley all have son we go NFL, you know.
And sound like him same way. And
Rowan,
act like Rowan, yeah.
Rowan play football.
Rowan, brethren, the man them. The thing is, me not say no. And even if, you know why me even go as far as to say most impactful, because Bob Marley ushered in the realization of your faith. A religion where you feel like you're go dead and go see His Imperial Majesty. The man sell you a God concept. Brother, the man of your faith, the man of your spirit. The man of your spirit. That's why I say, you can no rich guy, no political guy, no king and no queen guy.
Well, see, because me there, I love the history.
Tell me.
Rockefeller, Rothschild.
Nobody bring up them money bankers, them my brother.
No, but me I say them man there. That's why I say it to the unfair.
Yeah, them guys they're banker, money man, and politicians, man.
We have to stay. That's why I say if we stay in the realm of just,
you know, all right, stay in the realm of advancing the welfare of the whole human race. Stay in that realm, the realm of Jamaican pledge, where them challenge we for advance the welfare. Me
just want to know where the rest of greats them pitney there, like Marcus Garvey and
the welfare of the whole human race. And everyone, I don't know where that's what I'm saying, I don't know where the children and the grandchildren of Bob Marley doing under the surface. I don't know what them are do at night time. I don't know if I don't know if they are into any wranglings and janglings. I don't know. I thank you very much. Me talk about on the surface. Their vibration on the surface is similar to the legacy and the trend where them daddy set.
That is the Jamaican royal family.
Brother, and I go farther than for say Jamaica. I said it is the most impactful family in the world. Your faith, your vibration, and the man them push love.
You know, we're crazy. And not even just push love, you know. The fact say your impact white people like that.
Brethren, make them all not up them ear and I scream out His Majesty name.
When you make white man, you create a whole term for you. Hippie.
Please. Brother,
create a whole term.
We don't even know the rest of ones them. We can see these brethren offsprings.
Every day.
We can see them every day because they're also into the business of show. Brethren, I don't know who more impactful. I love Nelson Mandela and Femi with them. I know them well too. But them are my brethren and still, but no.
You know what they mean though? Art. Touch your soul. Art,
yeah, man.
Don't just art.
Yeah, man.
When you create art, you leave a legacy forever.
Yeah, man.
Like, no matter what, 50 years from now, 100 years from now, somebody gonna know who me is,
yes,
you know,
man,
and
totally,
what me doing.
Totally.
I'm gonna go open a book at Jamaica and say, Dear Elliott did this, blah, blah, blah.
Totally. And them remember when you run too.
Them are gonna remember, exactly. Them are gonna remember me.
Put the tape over them. I remember.
Them are gonna remember.
Them are remember.
People are go and is see craziest thing is the memories we make in our life. We need to record them.
Yes, I am.
Because at the end of the day,
totally.
we only are gonna appreciate them after them gone, you know. When we can look upon them and say, all right, this is what I've done. Mm-hmm. This is what we do. This is my body at work.
Yeah.
As creators, our resume is our employment history. Mm-hmm. What have we done? And the greatest thing is, one of the things why me not really fully interacting are because me can't hire myself.
Yeah, and film takes a lot.
Film expensive, but thank God, school of YouTube kinda break certain barriers.
And people sometimes they want to be moved. You know, it's not about the prettiness. People want to be moved. And I see it, say I realized that the atmosphere of filmmaking kind of shifted. It go on some spiral sometime where cinematographers they are focused on the
look more than the material and the actor
script. When this Hollywood concept, it's beautiful because they learned the tool is to build the star. You see, because people relate to people. You could have seen pretty all the time.
Exactly.
People relate to people and people relate to real life vibrations. Once you've built this star, and we see it's a blueprint on a brain surgery. Mm-hmm. You build a star and you make that star, him or her, you make them relatable, and then you can put anybody around them. And that star will also bring other stars and make see things positive, you know. So some people are gonna say, born a star or whatever, but no, we're not the business of show. So it's what we present. It's advancing the welfare of the whole human race. Jamaica pledge, you know, brother. You know that pledge, don't you? Every Jamaican know it.
I pledge my heart, yeah.
Before God and all mankind, I pledge the love and loyalty of my heart, the wisdom and courage of my mind, the strength and vigor of my body, in the service of my fellow citizens. I promise to stand up for justice, brotherhood and peace, to work diligently and creatively, to think generously and honestly, so that Jamaica may, under God, increase in beauty, fellowship and prosperity, and play her part in advancing the welfare of the whole human race. What kind of pledge that? With the man in my challenge for the brother? And with their school every day, primary school, I scream out that power voice words on his power.
Crazy thing, me never even realize how impactful that is.
Brother.
As a Jamaican, we really embody the things that we talk about. You know?
Think about words, Sonny. That's why I say we are our names, or the energy that we put forward and build the names. We are that vibration. It's vibration, and we are water in a deal. We are more water than anything else, you know. And what water known for? Where you got me in the cup? Your coffee got shake. Vibration.
Coffee shake. Make sure I drink some.
You feel me? I say. And the vibration, brother. And the energy. That's why.
You're so right. You mentioned something about star a while ago, and there's always a notion like with the Bob Marley movie. That was the only thing I've ever auditioned for
Since
Sprinter.
is it?
I auditioned for Peter Touch.
Is it?
Yeah. But
give
me a joke.
Got you.
When for me personally, I just never feel like I never get no direct call from anybody or nothing like that. It was like me get like the generic email where everybody get, not everybody, but the one we post on the internet.
Yeah.
It's like, yo, send it to this. And to me, maybe it's stupid, but me, I say, why am I gonna do that? May I just be honest? May I say, yo, why is this the generic? If this are the generic one where everybody are gonna do?
No man, they have to reach out to you. You know, so I'm not respond to them things by the way. Anyway,
But-
for a while.
But
yeah.
me,
I know what you mean, and I know why you did it at the time when you did it, because it was the first one after Sprinter.
I never I hear what the crazy part. Me never even business about it. Cause bear in mind, I can't shoot a self-tape to save my life. I still can't shoot a
You
self-tape.
know, so I have my own style with doing them now.
I've had multiple opportunities.
Interesting.
Why my father called me so late? This. Hold on there.
Time.
Daddy. What on? Everything good? $12. Oh, you frightened me. You frightened me. Oh, all right then.
I love
Come
it.
here. All right, me I shoot something because you frightened me. I have to stop. All right, a little bit.
I love it.
Call me after 12 in the night.
You know what I mean?
Walk on.
Shit.
But I same thing when me audition, I never think nothing of it because I know, to me I say, all right, this might not go nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, you know, you always see things in the media like why people not audition or why people not cast certain people in certain roles. But what you explained a while ago, there is, you have to, the Hollywood concept is you need to have stars.
Yeah.
You need draws.
Yeah, you need
And
draws.
so nothing wrong with it. I think
Yeah, nothing wrong with it, but sometimes it don't always work how them want it for work. Because sometimes people are look for talent and them are look for fresh faces too. You know, people want to be impressed upon. People like discover things, you know.
Mm-hmm.
People love newness, you know, my brother. And sometimes them get so caught up in the repetition of their actions that them forget. Say people love newness.
I never want to play no Bob Marley.
No man, it's not that thing. Man.
I never want to play no
Baseball,
Bob Marley.
I just explain to you even.
Not just that, even that alone. Me even I could go on like I don't think Dale Elliott would have do the Bob Marley role justice.
Give thanks. And that is
I don't
fair.
think that is just
fair
not
to
me.
say. That is fair to say in assessment of the eye and where the eye is at this time.
I am me will say no. For instance, I want to be represented how I'm presented. So I can show emotions, but I don't have that. You see that Rasta grit that you have, that yes.
See,
You know, and that's not me.
it might come across funny.
That come across like me
you
a
make
joke out
like
the man
you
them
joke
thing.
it. Yeah, like you joke.
And even if me
get
take it
you.
serious, me know that are just not me. Me
I
can
get
be
you.
a drop. Me can play
get
a
you.
serious role, but see, like you, I would consider you a Rasta man.
See,
Even when I had dreadlocks, I was never a Rasta man.
I get you.
And me never push. Me never try present myself as a Rasta man.
Totally.
So even when me sending me Peter Touch thing,
Yeah.
that probably was the worst tape them ever get from them. Probably I say, I can't the youth here. Them probably I said, oh, this cannot be the guy that everybody. There's no way this is the guy that everybody is telling me that I need to. No, this is terrible. Like me look back and watch it. What year? Me I say this terrible. What is this you send to the people?
And for tell you the truth, you know, sometimes with them self-tape, because even when I build with self-tape, you know, I was overthinking my self-tape. Because I think to myself, say, you know what it boiled down to? It boiled down to this. I said to myself, say, the voice come to me and say, then if it's your destiny for play it, you know, all you go on at all, but you don't want to play it, you go off a plate. So go do the thing. I'm going to say, sure. a hill me run and I run the hill for about a week and I contemplate it and my brother when me used to live in a yard and I contemplate me I say, but me don't want to do it, so why me have to do it? You know, I talk to myself back, brethren. And then because I take acting for seriously is not necessarily the word, but I respect the craft. So me want the character for make me feel like say I want to do it. Like when I fly go London, I buy my own ticket and fly go London for audition for Possession, for read for Possession in front of the people.
Because you want to do it.
I'm read the series, 5 episodes, I'm read it on the paper, I'm see it, I'm say blouse and skirt. This is an actor's dream. And that I say to myself, I play multiple characters. Me in the thing, listen, my brother, when that come a road, a trouble.
That are your new project where I come
new project where I come forward. With me, myself, Gugu Umbatara, Johnny Lee Miller, and a actress out of England named Belle Powley, and some of the Jamaican people them too. You know what I mean?
That is what see with film, when if somebody put a script to my mind, if they must say they'll be a bad man, no. They'll be like a conscious rasta, no.
You don't say anything me I write for the eye, me now go write it outside of your vibration. Because you have spent so much time and energy to build a vibration.
I probably can't play me.
Bridget, everything. I create things with you in mind.
Yeah.
I create things with you in mind right now as we speak. You feel me? I'm saying I'm my own little space. I create things with the eye in mind. Now that I meet the eye, I feel the eye energy. I say, right, you know what you mean, man? That's why the people them love the eye so much, because the vibration where the eye bring forward, it real. You know what I mean? The eye. Some people might have things, maybe have negative things to say about the eye because them not understand your realness and them take your confidence for conceit.
I'm conceited, man.
Them take your confidence for conceit.
Me confidence and conceited at the same time.
But conceited might have the negative connotation.
True.
It might have a negative connotation. That is why I said it. That is why I prefer to use the word confidence. Because believing in yourself doesn't mean that you're conceited. It doesn't necessarily mean say you think you're the best in the world. Just like how you even emphasize you're not playing or wanting to play Rasta and all them things there. That wouldn't come from a conceited human being. You feel me I say?
True.
That would have come from a human being who know themselves.
Me always tell myself, me always try to how me looking this is how me look pan like the world. You see if me I go do something, it's like how you say you can host. I cannot host, brother.
Yeah,
me cannot host. If somebody else host something, me not think me I gotta do it no justice.
I get you. Like
if somebody send me something, me not think me I gotta do it. Me not think me I can do that to the best of my ability.
I have a role for you, man, where you gonna love to. And it's funny and it suit the eye perfectly when I build in my mind right now.
We are gonna build. You see, what we are gonna do, we are gonna make we own things.
We could do things, man.
That's the problem.
We could do things, brother.
We not worry about things.
We could do some things, man. We could do some things in our earth, yeah.
Things have to be done because at the end of the day, we are think about. Here what me I think about. When me I do what me I do right now. When me start realize, this is when my mind change. You know, me turned 30 last week.
Congratulations.
Yeah, so at 30 years old, I've been doing social media, content, everything since me I was 17.
Wow.
And I've seen where people, the respect that I have received, when a man tell me, say, yo, I grew up, I watch you.
Mad.
And a man I say, yo, me look up to you.
Mad.
So when you start realize that what you do and say is now impacting a whole nother generation before, after you have to carry yourself accordingly.
Mindful, man.
Because you have to understand, say, what you do, the generation after me, I use me as example, you know.
Yeah. So you have to do it and do it well so that the ones that will come forward.
Somebody gonna do it better than me.
Say, man, totally, man. And that would have come from somebody who is conceited. That would have come from somebody who know themselves.
No, but
that utterance.
But you can't think it as conceited too because here what me think.
Yeah, tell me.
And it's just my I mean, I say this from a little pitney. Me I go be the greatest.
That no mean say you can't see
here.
it.
Me I go be the greatest comedian we come out of Jamaica, and me I go bury a hero circle. Bro, that's a long time I said this. I said this from like, brother, I used to look for like, my cousin, I used to be like, I'm smarter than all I know. Like I just my little,
but the truth no mean, the truth might be an offense to some, but it is not a sin.
I know the truth.
I know the truth.
I got KC, Wally, I got KC. Here I was thinking I was Bill Gates. Until I realized I can't build fence. but you know what KC teach me? No matter how much it don't work, no matter how much you fall, never stop.
Brother, but smart and wise no mean say academics. You know mean say your maths boring, you know. You know what I mean?
Maths are foolishness.
Maths boring. I'm going to tell you, it boring.
Calculator do maths now.
Brethren, it boring. So don't feel like such you never excel at maths. You're not smart and intelligent. You feel me I say? Mm-hmm. Don't feel like say smartness lies in them syllabus and them curriculum. And intelligence reside in them syllabus and them curriculum. So when you tell your cousin them say, they might get 99 pound them tests and you will get 45 and 50 and 60. But
so that happen.
It's like me I read you up, me I read about it. But yeah, but don't feel like say them are the genius. Them just can study and regurgitate and put it back on the paper.
Here a meeting about education. Cause me do every level of education now. Me got KC, me left with me one them, me get all of my subject them, me have my 9 subject them. Me do me keep. Me do me keep, me get me 3 double unit keep them, me go UA, me get my degree, and then me come out for it.
Apply yourself.
So me have, where paper concerned, me a brightest comedian.
There we go. Of course.
No, but
that's true.
Yeah, but when you look on it, what me I do right now, the apply what me I apply myself right now, can be directly attributed to my understanding of networking, critical thinking, which is very important. That is math. Mm-hmm. Marketing, very important. Branding. These are courses that I did in college. You know? A KC show me say, brotherhood. This person, meet this person, this connection will be a lifelong connection. We will relate. Probably the first thing we will relate to is,
40s forever.
He's a college man. And then that opened the doors to something else.
Yes, I.
So you see, me always tell a man, education is very important.
Totally.
And only the man were educated after we tell you, say, yeah man, school a waste of time.
Yeah. Because you can do it and realize, say, I know this may I use, but however, the vibration where him get, the late nights of studying, the preparing for the test, the discipline where that teach him, he would have never get it nowhere else. So make him go and talk about a fool.
Bro, you know why stand up so easy? I have to present a UA. But after in the lecture room, them a present. And everybody used to want to be in my group. Oh, yo, deal, we are present, you do the talking.
I love it.
And then we have to do the proper English.
Yeah.
And then we have to make sure so we pass. So my tutorial, me present every week. So me used to that theater setting where me I talk to people. JCDC.
Yeah.
I perform in front of people.
Yeah.
Me used to play my recorder.
Yeah.
Silent night. Hey, if you ever miss with the C sharp and it,
listen.
everybody I got to say, yo, are you mess up? Are you miss with the E flat or the C sharp, you know? So the part was say,
Yeah.
Regular you miss that and everybody can say, yo, are you do that?
I am.
So in terms of preparation, me always tell a man, whatever you do, if you decide to go in entertainment, outside of the talent, protect your brand.
Yeah, man, the discipline, man.
Are you going to do this forever?
Or is it a by the way thing?
Or you just a see What work now?
What work now, and you can eat a food. Sometimes I dip on the street and one say, you know, I can't do this to you know. I do a different job, and name is probably as a security or as a teller or as something else. I say, yo, you know, say, I want to do that thing how you do. I say, you don't want to do that thing how I do.
Because you would not do it.
You know, Virgin, how much years me having or something? Man, how much years me I do this thing, brother?
Which man you think I go do something and not get paid for 10 years?
Paid for 10 years. And that are just the least me I talk about, because I get paid for longer than 10 years.
All right.
Away I say, brother, when them time they go over there for that turn around and make fashion, we have to keep one show. We have to plan one thing and go eat the streets. And I buy and sell ticket and I feed yourself and I build, take your time and I build. And people always see it and them say, wow. Because the grass always look green up on the other side of the fence, you know. When a man see
always.
Grass, you see a grass and you say, blow all up on a man grass there. And you don't know say water your grass and take your time and stay so, you know.
Me always next to homeless, you know. Me always next to
Brother,
homeless.
I have some landlord. I can tell you something. When I time I owe my landlord for a year.
A year?
Boom. Oh. She said, hold on, man, it's unheard of. Man, I true she rate me and she like me. And she said, oh, and them telling me a star. More I owe my landlord for a year I rent back up and I tell her I say, I'm gonna pay you. She said, who do you know in life can pay off 1 year worth of rent? Sheldon, we have something I have to give. I say, I'm gonna pay you the whole life. I say, I'm done talk to you. And she call me, I'm not respond for me. For about 2-3 months, I not talk to her, she can't get me nothing. Until one day I write her a check for the entire sum.
Get it out of the way.
When she said, what? I say, tell her I'm going to pay your money, don't it? 1 year I work from a PR money. 1 year.
People
that could have my fire in the car.
1 year.
One month you owe them.
1 month you're outside.
You're outside.
No, you're outside fully.
Oh, yeah, I say, but Jamaica, you see the thing about Jamaica, a paradise in a deal. Enough people know Jamaica is the only paradise on earth. Here why I say so. Look on our flag. We have a golden X on the flag. What X marks?
We said the spot.
And it what? Gold. Think about it, and it's a pirate land. X marks the spot. Them I tell you in a poetry, bro. I look on life through the lens of poetry. X marks the spot. Which other place in the world you can just go raid people at fruit tree and full your belly? Which other place in the world you can live with people and them just have you there, live with them and you now contribute? And I know you have blood, and not even your blood family, them, you know, them
Even
just
your blood family.
Brother.
Not even your blood. America, the first place. When me come here foreign, I say, yo, a man can live in a yard of Jamaica and not pay light, water, nothing.
No,
and everybody has struggle and him even business. That's not a theme problem. Him not in charge of bills.
I'm just go.
And him just
go
in and out. Like lock off in a matter.
Him get
dinner, everything.
I'm going to come. I'm going to see that over. Which part of the world people can owe somebody rent for a year, brother?
Brother, just the house where me used to live in alone.
Mad.
Just imagine this, watch out. 4 bedroom, right? 2 room reserved for mad people. So them not count. The two room are for people have unsound mind. So them 2 room they not count to nobody. Me 2 auntie them. Me 6 cousin them. My grandmother. How much that me gone? 10. Plus the 2 mad people.
Plus the 2 mad 12.
That's 12.
Post joke.
And then sometime when my other cousin will come spend holiday, that's 7. And if she ever bring our next cousin, so some of the time I'll 14 away in our house. In our 1 room, it was a bunk bed. Me have a top. When my cousin forward, him sleep up at the top with me. And then my auntie and the rest of you, I put them on the bed and the bunk bed. Around 7 away more while in our room.
Yeah, brother.
1 bathroom.
My word.
The toilet don't flush.
You have to throw the water at night.
Brother, sometimes we put like sod in night. Me don't know why, but sod flush it. When we put sod in night, press it, flush. Me don't know, it's like some magic toilet.
Trey, they need to research that.
And bear in mind, for years,
wow.
I don't think 3 person ever pay bills one time. People just live. People just live. I come. I say
bro.
Jamaica alone.
Jamaica
and guess what the
alone.
worst thing?
A paradise.
My grandmother we a cook. And she a share with everybody food. You see, if me see all somebody a pass the yard and them all yell her, me vex because them a get a plate.
Them a get a plate.
Them a get a plate.
And it's a chant.
Yo, me used to tell them, me used to make my friend them left the yard before dinner coming up because
them a chant the
them a go shorten my food because my grandmother go give them.
Yeah, man, totally, bro. Listen, a tenement yard we used to live in, my brother, and enough of it, my auntie them, my grandmother them, in our one room, when I say one room, I don't mean one bedroom. I mean, it's one room.
Everybody
in there.
You there one side,
mother,
you there one
my
side.
My brother them, my father, and me. 5 away in a one room. The one room tiny, my brother. And we have them table with the farm mic top and the curly long, with the steel legs. Then we have one of that, and we have a 2-burner stove pan that and the cylinder underneath it. We have a dresser over there, so we have a divan bed right there. So we have a long sofa, one little, and then we have behind that we have the single bed. So when you come in, you have the table over here, so. And not cheering up on the table,
A one room that sound big.
And that's everything tight, that's how you stay. Man, it sound big, don't it? Everything to the wall, to the corner. You shimmy your way in and shimmy your way, you know what I mean? And work your thing. And that's so, me and my older brother sleep on the bed around there. So my mother, my father, my little brother sleep on the big bed. And we have a sofa for in case like my cousin or nobody come or you know what I mean? Them can jump on the little one long sofa. Like a long sofa right there, so.
And the crazy part is we never poor.
Oh, cause people were much worse than we.
Never poor.
Much worse than we.
And the crazy part with my yard was a yard where no matter what is happening in life,
refuge.
No matter where you are, you can come there and stay.
Refuge.
So all what me I say is 13, 14, that fluid body no.
Yeah, man, it's tough.
Because anybody can come in.
Same.
You can't.
And everybody have some of a sleep.
You can't get kicked out.
No.
Come.
No. Yeah, bro. The same
Yeah, your woman in a problem. You catch trouble somewhere. Come.
Auntie, my father friend, Clive, did come stay with you one at a time. My mother, 2 sisters, them did come stay with me one at a time. My father, Fim sister.
Brother.
Bro.
I just think, and the thing is, it grew me. It give me an audience all the time. So me basically, I feel like me used to perform for my family. Yeah. So when me see like me, when me see like me, my mad auntie or my mad uncle, how them act, me used to mimic them. When me see the crackhead pass, me used to mimic the crackhead. Me used to perform for them. Me used to complain about certain things, but I just for the audience, for perform for people.
Yeah.
Them little thing, them used to hide in a mango tree and who are coming, me stone them, like fling mango off of them and them little thing. But me also be a child. And the thing is, my house and my audience.
That's why we're so tough in our deal.
But
so you see the same point where they make earlier, where I say it boiled down to the pressures.
Yeah.
So enough people I say, blow, we don't have no theater, we don't have no this and we don't have that, and I need 3 ton with theater.
And we're going to figure it out.
And we're going to figure it out. Not to say that we would not love these niceties and fancities.
But it's crazy because it a happen, you know.
Totally.
But me tell you how it a happen.
Totally. Need to happen.
One a we, I got build it.
Yeah, man.
And then, you see when I build it though, it a have to name after me, you know.
You better know. You better know.
I got to name that after.
Yeah,
if
man.
me build that, I need a wing in that too.
Oh, you
You
mean?
got
Oh,
to,
you
me need a
mean?
wing. Me need.
You call mine the Good Shepherd Center.
Yeah, me need a wing or somewhere. But how you grew up, one of the way them how me grew up when we stay with me forever, brother. Me hate ask people for things.
Yeah, man.
Me hate ask people for things. Me like do. Me like do it first. If you are gonna help me, you help me after you see me at work.
Build a good wagon. And people love wagons, you know. They love good wagons, you know.
Build a good wagon for people jump on.
Jump on, panic, man. My wagon strong, man.
Yeah.
Jump on.
Because I saw things
Make sure you have
get
your
going.
fear, you know.
So things get going.
Make sure you have your fear.
And I how me learn.
You're useful too. You can't just come on the wagon.
You have to useful. Brother,
You must have
when me younger, my grandmother used to like send me for ask for things. Me never used to be, the way me hate ask for things now. Bear in mind, she not send me to no stranger, you know.
Yeah, family members.
go up the street to like my auntie or go up the street to our friend and me just remember me I ask for ice. Cause fridge not make no ice.
Yeah.
Me have to ask for ice.
Virgin, similar, bro.
Rice done, me have to ask for extra rice.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
I mean,
How about thing I ask for a piece of ice for me?
Go for some ice, cause fridge not make no ice.
Okay, I say, when you come for the ice?
And then just on the way, then look for me.
Yeah, brother, because
The look.
hey, you know, say people love to be in the position where they're giving, right? And when them a give, them want to make you know say them a give. It's like a one-up. It's like a one-up sometimes, no matter who the human being is. All right, it's if them can help. Some people help with grace, but most people, them want to make you know say them a help you.
Mm-hmm.
You feel me? I say them have that energy there where them want the pat on the back and them want the one-up. You say, where you want the ice? Johnny, look at the piece of ice in the fridge for Tommy.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, your mother not fix the fridge yet. You know what I mean? Them kind and it loud, you know, and the oofs over there, they hear it.
Brother, me just remember me that go at the gate and me a knock on the gate and me know say, all right then. Cause it's either ice me a go for or more while it will be a lunch money.
Yeah.
To where what used to happen is, say for instance, we now have a lunch money. First thing, which is why I always respect my grandmother. My grandmother always tell me, she said, Deal, your boy pitney. So you see, for instance, like if plate for wash and the yard for sweep, my cousin them will complain, or if my bed for spread, cousin them will complain, and my grandmother will be like, hey, Deal, you go wash your plate, you know, and you will spread your bed. But the boy pitney now wash no bathroom and 5 girl in here.
Yeah.
But at the same time, if me have to go shop, and me have to go shop, cousin them now go shop. My cousin them now sweep the yard. And me I do that.
Yeah.
But me would I get with the bathroom.
Yeah.
The boy pitney now wash the bathroom, but me I gotta do everything else.
Yeah.
So me just, even the way how she grew me for like be self-sufficient, like say the money ration, my grandmother would make sure say, me 3 cousin them, girl, them get for them lunch money. Me get what left.
Yeah, man.
And more while, I all $20. See bus fare, yeah.
Yeah, man.
I said, deal, me not the money for sending a school today. And I'm going to be like, you know what? All right, let's give me bus fare. And at the time, bus fare was $20. And me that just take me $20 and I just need to reach a school.
Something I got go on.
When I reach a school, I make something happen.
Yeah, man.
So teacher start not believe say me not have the money. Because she say, yo, yeah, sell a school.
Something
Because I have to start sell bag juice and I start sell cheat tricks and I start make money. Now she say, oh, dear, your shoes look so nice. And because now me there school at hustle. Me I buy, go over the boulevard and me I buy earheads. $40 for the pack. Me I sell earheads for $30 one. So me I hustle now.
Yeah.
So I start keep all my money in my dirty socks. Remember one day me go in my socks, go in my drawer, brother. And see me dirty socks unfold.
Jaja.
Me about $1,500 in my dirty socks.
Jaja.
And me I say, yo, where my money there? She said, so you never did go tell me say so much money you have. Look how me never have no money. She said, so me say, what money there? She said, you eat it.
Oh, grandma, cook it.
Grandma say you eat it. You eat it. I eat feed everybody.
Wow.
I mean, I look upon it and me that vex. I mean, I said, John, no. Look how me I save my money how long.
Man.
And she just
see it and say, oh, this boy.
take the whole light.
And take the whole
And you see from that day, my grandmother will never believe me if me say me not have money.
No, she don't believe
No matter what. No matter what.
I saw females them stay in the family too, you know, more. For real. I saw females them stay. They have a tendency for us. See, I said, wait, you always have money, man. Yeah,
Yep.
It's like a boy thing, a man thing. I
think she grew me like that.
Yeah.
Because even, that's what I'm saying, once lunch money are short.
Yeah, man. I start my money early, you know.
Mine.
I start my money from grade 9 when I start to win. From grade 9 at KC, when I officially start win everything till today, I've been independent. From a child, I've been just making money for myself. Buy my graduation ring for myself. Buy my textbook them for myself. Pay my school fee for myself when it I get up from them time.
Yeah.
My father used to be responsible for come give me lunch money. If him don't come from them time, I know nothing. When him come with fee money, my money, may have more money. You know what I mean? I just take fee money and add to my money sometime. And if you don't come, I don't really.
My parents take care of me. You see, my father, because I live in the extended household, when my father send him money, the money take care of everybody.
Yeah.
When I move, I live with my other grandmother, the one where like more disciplined.
Yeah.
Actually, she say, get a passport, learn how to collect your own money. So my mother started send money to me. Father started send money to me.
Okay.
So, and me believe, so just me believe that my mother and father left me at Jamaica from me a little pitney, them owe me.
Yeah, man.
So me used to make my own money, you know.
Yeah.
But me used to spend them money. So like, my mother, Yui school fee, you see when my mother find out, so me I go, Yui, she send the whole of the school fee one time. Bam.
I love it.
And my mother and my father not talk.
Okay, so you get double.
2 school fee.
Blood fire, wow, what a luxury.
300,000 from each.
What a luxury.
600 grand, me having them in my pocket, 18.
What a luxury. What a luxury.
Cause them not talk.
No, man.
Brother,
that's beautiful.
Yo, when me are 19, when me are 20, my second year in a UE, remember, I don't know what did happen between my mother and father, but the two of them are cuss. And I don't think my mother did have the money at the time. And she said, yo, your father send the money, your father send the money. And me I wait. She a talk to him, because she a tell him, say, yo, Dale, me can't afford Dale's school fee this year. So, me want you pitching. Father say, yeah, but him not come through. Father take long. I just remember the day come for pay the school fee, my father send the money. I have the money, I just collect the money. And my mother call me, my mother say, may I call your father and I get him, you know? Him send the money. And I go, so, me no finish that. I just say, my mother say, fuck him! Why you there? Me I go Western Union right now because my pitney have to finish university. I'm say, hey! Brother, I just go out the door, sit down in my car, and she send me number, and I just walk in, and I collect mostly like 400,000. Father send me 300 and mother send me 400,000.
Luxury.
Bear in mind.
Luxury.
I know where I go. I go straight to the casino.
Blood fire go double it.
Double? Me lose the whole light. Me lose the whole light. Me lose all light. Every cent.
Why would you do that?
Me gamble all light.
Why would you do that, bro?
Because me's a risk taker. See him there, you know?
Gambling.
All light. All light.
You know, so I never get into gambling. It's too easy for losing my work so hard for.
Oh, yeah, but see, me,
I know what you mean.
me gambling in different ways now. But
yes,
and that's how me get my risk. See, that's how me get my risk taking
totally.
from.
Me gamble all the time.
Yeah, no,
however,
we gamble.
Games have chance.
No, man, me gamble and lose all light and halfway. And me did feel that way because my grandmother did no lie me I tell. Because me go home and me tell my grandmother say me get robbed.
Jano.
Because me like cut up my shirt.
Jano.
And my grandmother looked me in my face. My grandmother said, Dale, you're not getting a rap. You look a boy.
Yeah, I know.
But you feel that way, but me tell my story, I stick to it. But my grandmother said, Dale.
You're not getting a rob, man. She
said, Dale, me know you.
You're not getting a rob.
You're not get robbed.
You're not going to get robbed.
We all you grew up.
You're not supposed to get robbed either.
She said, Dale, me not see you just get robbed, so.
No. I'm going to get robbed now. We don't so careless.
One, you have to catch me sleeping, and at that time in my mind frame, me wouldn't, man. If you catch me, I probably wouldn't dare so right now.
Yeah.
Because me I defend my thing.
Yeah, for real.
At them time there,
for real.
Me I stab you or something.
For real.
So she now,
so easy.
all me I try get her if believe, see I rob me get robbed. One grandmother believe me now. Other grandmother, you see one me take up my money?
Yeah.
My other grandmother, she said, you can't listen to Dale. deal get robbed. I don't believe deal get robbed.
Yeah, I'll cut up your shirt.
I'll cut up my shirt. She never believe me at all. Never believe me at all. I'll sell my car and gamble off for money already too, you know. I walk go home, you know.
What did you ever win yet?
Yeah, man.
Oh, that you win already.
No, man. Me used to win big too.
Oh.
And guess what too? So my time, my company where they're on. So you see, when you left KC and you start go to university, you start there on the people and with them parents have the money. So now you are going at different level of people. You're there on multiple people. And you realize, say, me did realize quick. Say, oh, a mother and father money they must spend.
Yeah.
And me really have the money. If anybody has a rich, I kind of me rich.
Yeah, you have your own money now.
And me alone have $1 million. Me say, wait, hold on. But after me fuck up all of the money, me realize that. Because me realize, say, me buy me car, me have to pay me insurance, me like everything, me. And me I realize that everybody else, a mommy and daddy car and a mommy and daddy money. So them they make me start, one of my friend them open up my mind to start think like them. That's how I realize me never poor. Because my mother and father live a foreign.
Yeah.
And one day, me and my brother Jason, me and Jason gamble and me lose like $1,500 US. And my brother Jason give me a hug and my brother Jason said, Dale, you know what the best thing about this is? He say, why? He say, we're 20 years old. We'll never die of hunger. Our mothers and fathers are going to take care of us. This is the time in our lives to do stuff like this. And me say, I really think them owe me. So now me I say, if me waste the money, me just call them and ask some more.
Him right. Him actually right.
I can't make them mistake now, but
no.
At 18, 19, 20,
him actually right.
you owe me. Me I can spend up your money.
Him actually right. Him actually right and him privileged.
It was very privileged.
I personally was never at a point in my life where I didn't value $1 that much to think that losing it was okay.
Oh, yeah, man.
I was never and with that momentum, I am here right now where no matter how much money I have there, no matter how me look for my wallet and it look impressive, me very, very conscious.
I know I value it. You know why? Because I know where hard work is.
Brother.
So can I work hard for it?
I have 2 boys, you know.
I have, and worse, you have youth.
Oh gosh.
You see, but
oh gosh.
Me feel like, you see, that them time there, I was rebelling.
Yeah, man.
Me a rebel based off of my mother and father na grow me.
Yeah.
They live a foreign. Me live on UA campus. So now, me I like my own man. Me a work, because me I do my social media. So me I make my money.
Yeah.
And then me have like a half scholarship at UA where them don't know about. And then me I do business. So me is a man where me did a buy car and sell car.
You da go on with your things, man.
Me did a buy car, me did a keep party. Me always I try make money. Anybody will know me, they'll make money. So me always used to believe, so you see if me there around it.
Yeah.
Me there around them, that's why I'm glad me never there around no scammer and them thing there.
Yeah, because you're that choppy line.
Because me that probably be one of the best one them for ever do it.
You're that choppy line, man.
Me that be one of the best one them for ever do it. So you see, me always tell people, in a life you have to make mistakes.
Yeah.
Me not really feel like my gambling problem was a mistake. Because you know why? You see, to the date, if a venue costs 10,000, me will invest 10,000 in myself right now. I know so I might not make $1.
And that's a gamble.
That's the gamble.
That's the gambling spirit.
That's what me there now.
Yeah.
What me there now is believing in yourself to a point of delusion. Because that
100%.
what me I do right now better than gambling. Me I gamble back for myself.
Yeah, man.
What we are doing right now is a gamble. Yeah, gambling. You know?
Yeah, bro.
Because we don't know.
Art, music, comedy.
What?
Business of show. When them struck the COVID thing, none of we now work. well with the on the line, you know, internet people still watch them internet thing, but for gather people and for have people purchasing a ticket to come out and come see you, it show when you really have to assess yourself and say, clothes and skirt.
You had to be a hustler. You had to be a hustler.
You have to can hustle, you have to can juggle. A farm, I go farm. I go plant things within the couple of years.
Within the COVID?
Yeah, me there Jamaica just a farm. Plant things and have my food I grow. Cause I like farming, you know. Like I love the dirt and I love the soil, so I dig up and plant things and you know what I mean? I just chill, I just lay low.
Land I wanna if you like I always remember this, you know. You see land, you are the beautiful thing about the earth. You see, people talk about like Bitcoin and them thing there. I never see one yet, you know.
No.
But you know what me know? Me know if me pick a seed
Yes, sir.
and throw it in the ground.
Rain I go come with it and sun I go come dry it.
And it'll give me something.
It'll give you something back.
The earth I go repair you.
Everything what I'm doing on this earth, yeah. With the album, give thanks, the music what I share. But I share it within the whole vibration of harmony, yeah? I have one mouth, so anything I say, I want it to resonate in a positive vibration where it can create positive behavioral changes among the populace, advancing the welfare of the whole human race. So I have that in my vibration when I put forward things. So whenever I put forward nothing, I put forward so that whatever the energies it bring forward to me, you know, whether it is monies, whether it is people's attention, whatever it is, me can take that and create something with the soil. Because when you plant a tree, my brother, trees grow old, you know.
And you never see it grow.
Brethren, you never see it, you never watch it grow old.
You never see a tree grow.
You and everybody else around you. So I have a vision for I see fruit trees. I always see fruit trees. I always see, I have a little vision of myself in my white linen. I'm walk out in my space. I'm just spear fruit trees and the grass them green and thing. And I mean, I said that is when I go feel like say me wealthy. When I have just every fruit tree I can imagine. I'm a grass them green and luscious. I mean a white linen. I don't know why I mean a white linen, my brother, but I mean a white linen. You see what I say?
Keep it.
But, you know? Not as but just and the feeling of bliss just over me in the vision. It feel, you know, when you Jehovah's Witness get a little booklet there, I feel say that probably brainwash me from over the years where me imagine
everybody have to have that like way you consider success.
Brethren. Some man might see it as different thing.
You can guess what? Is a vision where you can create. As long as you can create your vision, it's a vision where you can go make that vision tomorrow and record it. So guess what? It's attainable.
Of course. I'ma feel like say, cause I love trees and I love water. I don't know this thing. And it's so I don't just the idea trees and water and food. No, it's just something that draw me to trees and water. And when I put things, when I reason with water, I reason with trees and things, I always get returns. Always get creative returns. Always. I talk to a tree and the tree teach me about resonance and vibration and harmony. And I say, blow, that's going to be my life study now a few years ago. And because of the vibration of my words and the leaf. Or I thought to leaf, I was examining love. And I say, why people feel say love is everything? Love is the thing we must strive for when love is the foundation. Love is where innate. Love is where everybody have. Even the wickedest man on the earth, I love him dog and him animals. And him,
I feel love something.
I feel love something. But him not have no harmony. Because him not resonating. Him a combust. That's why I drop bombs and I blow up things. Him not have harmony within him. So harmony should be the thing we strive for, bro. The resonance, the vibration where we can sit on and have a reasoning. And we now, there's the harmony in the room. You know what I mean? And that me encode in my art. That I make a secret. It's not even a secret, that I'm an ingredient.
But you see it when you talk about it a lot. Just like for me, if you guess when you say peak of life, bro, my peak of life, you know. You see like how you have that vision there? My vision is Christmas Day. Dinner. Me as a grandpa. Me envision myself as a grandpa.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
when me
man.
see my children, them have children.
Yeah, man. Totally, man.
All.
Totally.
Me envision myself grandpa. Me I see me picnic them.
Aging gracefully, bro.
I may see where me bill.
Yeah.
And it's just a little Christmas. Me have a little rocking chair or something.
Easily.
And me can look back.
Easily.
I say, all right then, me do this. Probably because me never like have family.
Yeah.
So much of my content family orientated.
Very family oriented.
Because of how me grew up.
Orientated. Yeah.
So it's like me I try, me not gonna say have what me never have. But my
that's
success
like,
in a life, I gotta be that.
In it, yeah, because that's all right. You see that vibration there? That's why I'm even call myself the returning resident. When I'm a moniker. And my one-man show named the returning resident.
Son of an immigrant, the returning resident.
Returning resident. You see, bro, it's too similar. I have a rocking chair on the ad. I wear robes all the time in my house and thing. The idea of looking at the trees, because it takes time for trees to grow.
And you will never see
it
grow.
Children grow. It takes time for your family grow. So for me, can find time for have every fruit tree around the world. It simply means that all of my bread butter around the sides and the edges.
Naturally,
my brother. For me, can in a white linen, my brother. So when you say that, no, me sure you say it's one in the same.
Yeah, I see him vision.
It's one in the same. You
I
feel
see
me?
him vision.
It's one in the same. So it's like
you envision the nature, me envision the kitchen.
Yeah, man.
Me see the kitchen, me see the big family table and the kitchen.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It's a real vibration, my lord. And that's so for me, that's where it reside. My art is the art for the people, and I trust that when people get my art, it will impact their lives in that positive sense. When they receive a piece, a poem, a song, a film, like how them love, some of them don't even get the message of the machete at the man's throat. The toxic vibration, but them love it because they must say, yeah, man, the boy, no fear, this your son. Them take from it. However, yeah, that is a bit of it. You know what I mean? And standing up for yourself is a bit of it. But his approach was a bit rough. You know what I mean? Him could have deal with it different. But who knows, you know?
That's the thing. People don't understand. So like when you get a script, the words that we say on the script, there is a backstory to that word that you guys never get to see. Totally. So they might be like, Dale is supposed to come in and say, why are you doing this to her? And you just look at it as the word. And when you're looking at the script, it's like, for 10 years, he has been going through this, that, blah, blah, blah. He has this thing has been building up now for a while.
So you have to transfer
that
energy into that one singular.
So that whole
30
energy.
Seconds.
So you might did have to say, what was the word? What the word where the man made the mistake of?
In the scene?
Yeah.
In the scene. The bird woman say, what is them name?
All right. What is them name, you know? The backstory for that, why you even say it like that, can be, him know them name already, and him just want to make sure say them same boy, they call them a bother for years now. Or it's always something behind the words.
Yeah, and even him choose them words to him is also, him tired, him is proper, as a theme farm, him proper, and him have him son, and him not go too proper. So him say what is even him use of tense and them thing, and him say what is them name? What is them name? You know what I mean? It is so it has the whole fed up energy in the structure of the words. Them way him choose. You know what I mean? So when I choose that, you know, me personally, I'm very deliberate with, especially when someone give me, when foreigners write the Jamaican language and them give it to me, I'm going to say, we wouldn't say it this way. And them say, please adjust it. I'm going to say, all right, I'll adjust all these lines. And them say, go ahead. I mean, even direct that scene there, you know, with the machete, you know.
Okay.
Because I go into the room, I'm read it on the paper and I was excited. I'm going to tell the director what I envisioned. And him say, wow, I love it. How do you see him do you see him? I'm going to say, I could put him on the ground, but I don't think him going to put him, I'm going to show him how it would look if I put him on the ground. I'm going to say this, I'm going to say you would have to get the camera angle from here if you see the barrel on my nose, because I want you to get the barrel on my nose, but then you will miss him. And I don't want you to miss him. So I want to pin him against the wall and get a side profile. So you see him and you see the barrel at the same time. And you look, I say it look like a shotgun. You feel me? I say, so I look on him with the machine and my nose stays so over him. So it look like a rifle in him face same way.
That is what I am interested in more than even the acting.
Brethren, so it's the design, you know. And then them see, when I go up and set the day, I'm going to go to the director and I say, how you want to do this? I say, bro, it's all you. I say, what? I smile.
That
I say,
more
what?
Just leave it up to me.
I say, what?
Let me bring it to life.
I'm going to call the ones and I'm going to work with the actor. I'm going to show him. I'm going to say, when I go up to the gate, I'm going to have my machete and my right hand and then I'm going to fling it up. If you watch what I see, I'm going to fling it up in the ear and catch it with my left hand and then I'm going to open the gate to my right and slap it under your throat, so boom, and then flick the back of the machete with the neck. And say, let's walk it and walk it. Bam. Bam, so the flow, and the cameraman there with me, I'm going to say, you, and I'm going to say, all right, I'm saying with him, and then I'm say, all right, are you ready? I'm going to say, yeah, man, are you ready? You want to shoot this? I'm going to say, all right, let's shoot this. And I remember, you watch Troy with Brad Pitt?
Yep.
When him walk up, by the way, when I saw it on paper, I said, blow, whoa, this reminds me of when Brad Pitt rode up to the castle after
the fight for
and
kill.
Say, Hector! And him call out the blood fire.
For kill him and cut off him head and ride off with him.
The boy name in the short film too. Hector will walk up on screen.
Hector
name too. And then kill my boy and tie him up and ride off with him.
And left with him head. Time to it and ride off.
That was...
I want a baddest try. One of the baddest scene that.
And that's why that scene that's why that scene was the only scene from Champion that went viral, deal. Out of 6 episodes, I got 2 minutes in the last episode, and it was the only thing that went viral. And that is one of the most memorable scenes from Troy.
You have to take your moments, you know.
Bro, I remember, when I saw it on the script, I said, this reminds me of Troy, when Brad Pitt rode up to that freaking castle.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite film of all time?
Yeah.
Forrest Gump.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Awa.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say
Awa.
Anybody here?
Awa.
I am so happy I have this on camera.
Awa.
My favorite movie of all time. I swear to God.
Don't say
I swear, my favorite movie of all time.
You know, so you had to say this for the ratings.
Brother, I say, yo, think I'll come out of focus.
You say it for the ratings, deal. Joke. Oh, what you have say? No, man, this thing are weird, Rasta.
Brother.
This thing are weird.
All right, it's supposed to so focus on me. Brother, you see Forrest Gump. The years, I love Jenny.
Life is like a box of chocolate.
Life is like a box of
Never
chocolate.
know what you're gonna get yet.
Brother.
Brethren. You know, me have like Forrest Gump, Shawshank Redemption, There Will Be Blood.
Yeah.
My top 5, Forrest Gump, Shawshank Redemption, There Will Be Blood. My love Better Must Come, when me, you know. And if I am to choose, it would be Love and Basketball.
Brother, for me, number 1, Forrest Gump.
Forrest Gump.
Me and Bubba, we always had to trip about it.
Oh, God.
Me and Bubba, we went to Vietnam. Bro, it's my favorite movie of all time. And people always find it weird.
I'm a favorite
so
film,
it's just a jive. It's just a jive for people there. So
interesting, man. Bubba Gump.
I've had people, my co-host Crooks.
Yeah.
When me and Crooks reason, we talk about movies, I always say Forrest Gump is my favorite movie of all time. So there is proof.
Is it? I didn't know this, bro.
Brother, Forrest Gump.
Time I love Forrest Gump, bro.
Forrest Gump, Ray.
Yeah.
Pursuit of Happiness.
Pursuit of Happiness is good too.
Forrest Gump, Ray, Pursuit of Happiness, Armageddon.
Yeah. Those things are a good film. I love Shawshank and I love There Will Be Blood. You watch There Will Be Blood?
No, I never watched
Daniel
it.
Day-Lewis. Bro, watch There Will Be Blood. I'm an oil man. Watch there be blood. the man say, hey, the man kill the priests in a mansion in the bowling alley with a bowling pin. The man, you just me saying that.
The man kill the priest
in a mansion in the bowling alley while eating some raw steak, bloody steak. I'm a cut it, I'm a eat it, and the priest come and beg money. He's like, Daniel, the church needs, and the man said, yeah. The man said, say you're a fraud. And the priest said, what do you mean? The man said, say you're a fraud. I drink some red wine and I eat a bloody steak. Bro, the scene, brother. And the priest said, Daniel, you know God. The man said, say you're a fraud. And the priest said, I'm a fraud. And then the man just get up and take up a bowling pin and back, and kill him. And look and go over him. Bap. I saw you watch that scene. You see movies where them make no, my brother. You see all the recent Oscar. Yeah, I get it. The movie them no give me them kind of energy there. Right. For them movie I give me them.
But you see, me would have consider myself, I gotta take the Eddie Murphy, Adam Sandler route. Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
you realize
of course,
the lighter.
Of course,
the
bro.
Lighter.
Of course.
Family.
Bro. Yeah, man.
And that's so me think.
Yeah,
so
man.
even that, like with your artistic vision and mine, you can tell me something and me can light it how you want it.
Don't it?
Everything what you do half cinematic, you know.
Yeah,
Come have to catch your eye and your mouth and the way you pronounce. You act with your face.
Yeah, man.
And me can see your words all if you not say nothing.
Totally.
You can do a whole film and not say nothing at all.
Totally, yeah.
Me love that Adam Sandler.
Actually, I work on something like that still.
Eddie Murphy. Just Christmas time.
Yeah, man.
Or Think Like a Man.
Yeah, man.
That them they are my type of.
Yeah, man.
That are my type of. That are my lane.
Yeah, man. Rom-coms.
Yeah.
Bro, yeah, man. Sitcoms, rom-coms. Is that them kind of, I see it. I see it.
Definitely.
Yeah, man.
But the Forrest Gump thing catch me off.
Yeah, it catch me too because I don't really meet people Forrest Gump are them favorite film.
Very.
I don't really meet people.
I love Jenny.
I love Forrest Gump, brother. I watch it. It's the only film I watch anytime.
Brother, I watch Forrest Gump probably.
I watch it anytime. I draw feet.
Once
anytime.
it on, me I go watch it.
You know what I mean? I love the Lord of the Rings them too, you know, but I now go for them anytime and every time.
Right. So you see, Lord of the Rings, Game of Thrones, anything Spartacus.
Yeah. I mean,
anything Roman, Greek.
Films. Yeah, I love
if you don't tell me about Greek God, and me I go watch it.
I love the vibration there too. But the series them I love where really stand out. The three of them, my top three series, top four, I really love, funnily enough, 5. I love Breaking Bad. I
love anything with drugs.
Ozark.
Anything with drugs.
Yeah.
You see anything with drugs I sell?
I love Peaky Blinders. I love...
Probably I gonna love Snowfall then.
No, I know it's okay, but I don't really love it like how I love the Peaky Blinders. Yeah. I love Selfridges. Mr. Selfridge. Yeah. And I love...
Saul? Better Call Saul?
No, guess which one? I gotta tell you now. When I know if I guess. Downton Abbey. Have you seen that freaking film?
No, I never watched that before.
Bro, it's maybe actually my mother used to love watch soap opera. I used to have to watch it with her.
Yeah, you never watch choice. So you turn on light them
so
thing.
I like that kind of feel good family period kind of old English. Them pieces there. I like them pieces there. I like Downton Abbey. I even make a tune called I meet the Virgin Story. I like Downton Abbey, right? And I watch this Blowout series. And I said, that series is nice. See. Anyway, I go do Mali. I forgot me there in New York and I jump on a flight for go to London for go do Mali. And the car, while I watch it and then the car come pick me up and I say, I'm lock it off. I'm jump in the car and go to the airport. I'm going to the lounge and I'm there in the lounge and I see somebody pass. I say, that person look familiar anyway. But then I jump on the flight and I go in the flight and I sit clean in the seat and I just switch on my TV and thing. And I say, wait. The man have the Downton Abbey when I just watch the movie. I say, oh, I'm plug in the Downton Abbey. I'm just stretch out my bed and I lie down in the night. I say, so I watch Downton Abbey on the flight and flight land now. I land and I'm a station on woman. I see a Bridget walk past me. I say, okay, cool. Bridget, I say, people feel people, but And a lady beside me, she said, I'm going to say, funny, it's just a thing. That gentleman who just went to the restroom, he has a striking resemblance of Hugh Bonneville, the actor. She said, yes, that's Hugh Bonneville, the actor from Downton Abbey, who stars Downton Abbey. He's my husband. The dude was sitting next to me in business right all this time. He's in my scene at the lounge. Me see me and him take selfie, we laugh, we chat, blah, blah. Gentleman, nice. Fast forward to the series I do in a new one will come out now. Scott Bates is the first AD on set. Them there Jamaica where I film, I'm a perform on the stage. And I say, man, you're really good. You're a performer. I didn't know you could sing. You're a performer. And I say, yeah, you don't know. And I say, man, you love Downton Abbey so much. God, them find out some I love Downton Abbey. I tell them some I love Downton Abbey. And they say, I don't even watch Downton Abbey and I'm British. Laugh after me. Rasta man who likes Downton Abbey. Laugh after me. I say, go ahead. Downton Abbey tough. And I mean, I will make a joke out of it. And him said to me, say, maybe you should make a song about Downton Abbey, mate. And I say, don't tempt me, boy. Don't ramp with me. His name Scott Bates. One of the characters in Downton Abbey named Mr. Bates. So I write a tune. It come to me and I'm even write it. It come to me. I'm going to call it Dan Tan Natty. The Dan Tan Natty. You feel me? I say, so I stay so down. I say, my book a girl at England and she see me in my tweed. You know, party. She say, oh, I love your tweed. I'm going to say so. Says she like the tweed. Dep on my speed. Granny pearls and bead. Dep on my speed. Writing poetry. Dep on my speed. Watch out now. Tweed, cardi, Ryan, some loafers. Basketball, me go play in the sneakers. Run the hill in them trainers. Coming from the gym and most polyester. Them the boot they fi wear in a winter. Dave shave sheep. Sound drop like wool. And in a lion mouth quiet and pull. Watch the natty fly in a Bristol. I saw Sheppy Danton and that a you Bonville. Oh, you mean? Danton natty, ooh, Lord, ooh, wind rush passy along before that. Even see we on the telly TV. For what reason? Inherit 50 mil. Fi share amongst the ones them. Come again. The character I'm playing in the film inherit 50 million in his journey. The brethren I said Dave shave sheep, sound drop like wool. Dave is a sound engineer for the film and he's also a shepherd and himself lamb's wool. And I say quiet and pull focus watching Natty fly in Bristol. Bristol was where I was running because we were shooting in Bristol. So what happened now within the period of me working on set, building out this thing, the piece came to me. I'm start say to myself, say, you know, say we as actors, our face is always seeing. Our name always up on the board, Sheldon Shepherd in. You know what I mean? But the man who do my ear, Morris Roots, the Dave who do the sound, Jody who do my makeup, Susan who do my wardrobe, Storm who shoot the film, even though the director, and Pedro who light the scenes. Them names just get run up in the credit quickly.
That's all.
So I met the piece. So the second verse of the piece, I say, in every 50 million share, advancing the welfare by a couple hectare. Trim mustache and chin hair. Come on, they cut my beard and stuff.
Yeah.
Trim mustache and chin hair. Morris alone to the locks. Or no, it not happening. Calm hands Jody. Bengal spice and warm towel him. She used to make me Bengal spice tea and warm towel my face. So I say calm hands Jody. Bengal spice and warm towel him. Them I try do the maths can't figure it out. By now, if you don't know the story, I gotta wonder what the fuck is he talking about. Them I try do the maths can't figure it. Susan, Natty disappear in a livery because I was wearing a livery and they made my locks disappear and I was wearing an afro. Bald head, bro. When you see it, you're going to shit up yourself. So I say, Susan, Natty disappear in a livery, reappear in a mesh marina and lens. Contact lens, handmade gents, Storm in a sky, Pedro lighting frames. Sky is the network and Storm is the director. Pedro lighting frames. Them snowed in now, which is the production company, snowed in. Them snowed in now, Bates, the AD. May accept your challenge. As a Sheppy Danton, and that a you Bonville. Oh, you mean? Danton not.
Have you ever considered writing music for people?
No.
Like being a songwriter?
But no. Yes, and then me laugh at it. It's like, I say, maybe if I write a song, like me I hear somebody, I say, but me not think, say, I don't think that, I think I should tell my story. The stories that come to me as a whisper on the wind. Because I never ask for these stories.
Yeah.
It's not like me get up and I say, me go write a love song, or me go write a song that big up the people them when they're behind the scenes, or me go me day in my bed, or me day on the road, and it just come as a flow, and it come with a musical progression with it as well. So I'm gonna link my musicians and I say, play this bass line, play this drum pattern, play this, and then them play it, and then we build it and we formulate it.
You ever feel like you're mad? You ever feel like you're mad? No, there's a reason why I'm asking that. So here why I'm saying that. There is a direct correlation between entertainers, especially people of the arts, with madness. And when we say madness, I don't mean mad, but people would consider me as weird.
I would say my son thinks I am weird, my 15-year-old.
Never touch of the mad, you know. Me embrace it. So when people say, oh, you're weird, me, photographers have a different vibe. Poets have a different vibe. Comedians have a different vibe.
Yeah, for real.
Like, when you're creative, you have that. It's like how you will say, it come to you.
Yeah. People
Like,
say madness, that, you know.
A man will say, yo, that man there, so I say, come. So wait. What the hell? What you mean by it? What you mean by it come to him?
Yeah.
So people look upon it like that, but
me embrace madness, you know. Me embrace the idea of madness. You know, so me is the first to listen to the homeless and the mad person on the street, because I always try to find the logic in them reasoning. Like if a madman see me and I say things. One time I did one venue and a virgin run up to me in my ears and say, yo, I may have the one of the gun them run a grand spinning now, and him smelly, and him have the locks them, and him grimy, and I say, I may have the one of the gun them in a grand spinning now, with them and the police them square off and a beer shot me a licking and them just walk off. I'm going to say, why don't you tell me that? I'm going to start for weeks. Me not think about this man.
A material that for me, you know. You see, a man tell me that, all right. Tell me that am I all right? No. I'm glad. Now me have that. I mean, I do what I'm going to out. So now that me have to.
See him when I'm coming in my ears, you know, and then just walk off. He must say what he wants to say and just walk off.
Nah, make you get over that one, you know. Nah, make you get over that one. The way me him come in your ears.
Gee.
Me can't. No, me not lie. That one they just, me don't know.
Why? Oh, me let go that one there, so.
Me not lie. Me not make that one the pass.
I apologize.
That one they not go nowhere.
Me can't. That one I don't want to get me from. For real.
Yeah, you can't get me from that one there at all.
Sorry.
No.
I apologize to everything and everyone Jamaican. Sorry. My thugs them from the garrison. Sorry. Rastafari, I know. I apologize.
Can't make money or attack, so.
No.
But it's definitely, it take a different mind frame for think creatively, like how we think, to the point of, I would have said, delusion, and also whole heap of things that take place in our brain, you know. Yeah. 1,000,001 things that take place in our brain every day.
You know, I give thanks for the deal. I give thanks to still find myself and my thoughts interesting enough to think that, to even have the audacity to think that others will find value in these.
We will never lose that. If you lose that, you lose yourself.
You know what I mean? For things that others are going to find reason in your madness. In your little thing where you get a jolt out of your sleep. You know what I mean? And then you put something together, and you get your eyes well up with water, your goosebump vibration.
Me search for that. Every time I have that, I feel like something bad is going to happen. So me look for that.
Yeah, man.
Find that thing where excite you.
Yes, I.
See the thing where make me want to get up and just go do it.
Yes, I.
Me feel like, as creative people, if we keep that, because it definitely is what make us we.
Yeah, man. the audacity. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? If I feel say others are gonna find the reason in your thing. I'm gonna explain my pieces. So I'm gonna just explain the Danton Natty piece to you. I'm gonna explain my pieces, you know. This I go because when I explain my pieces, I kill your illusion. Because a lot of people are gonna listen to that piece and they might get something totally different, which is something beautiful because they might share them difference with me and me I go get something different.
But that's how it work.
You feel me? I say. So I'm gonna like explain my pieces.
You can't see what me see.
No, but when I explain to you now, I kill your illusion because I just paint you the picture of the author.
So now I know exactly.
No, you know exactly.
I know everybody with it there. I know say Askaya deal with it. I know Bates. I know the Shepherd guy. I know Dalton Natty. Say you change it round. I know Storm. I know the makeup girl. I know everybody now.
You know everybody. But if I ever play it for you as a tune, you're gonna find out.
My picture of that would have be if you have to play a picture, if I think about that, because of you, the person, me I gotta just think you're in our room and you're pine pan everybody. And everybody where you pine pan, you make a rhyme about them.
Yeah, don't it?
That's how me envision it without you telling me who it is. If you play it, it's copyright, you know. You have it is a registered song?
It no release.
Oh yeah, man, you can play it.
Unreleased. It'll come from my album. It's unreleased. It's unreleased. I just make you hear it and thing. Rough.
Recently, I was on a flight from New York to London. I was watching Downton Abbey. I looked to my left, and guess who was sitting beside of me? Yes. Magic. The Don. Can I hear you say, so she love the tweed, dip on the speed, organic pearls and beads, dip on the speed, writing poetry, dip on the speed. Watch it now, tweed, corduroy, and some loafer, basketball, make a play in a sneaker, run the hill in a them trainer, coming from the gym, polyester, them they boot they feel wear in a winter, Dave shave sheep sound drop like wool, and in a lion mouth quiet and pull focus, watching a fly in a Bristol, as a sheppy Danton and that a human villa. How you mean?
I wouldn't hear way at that, bro.
Okay. This is a fucking jam, bro.
Yeah, I wouldn't know. But it just sounds good.
It sounds like a fucking song, bro.
I don't know way at that,
so
bro.
that's why I don't explain my pieces to people. Because it kills your illusion.
You know, what genre would you say you make in music?
I make dub poetry.
So
100%.
So the genre of your music is dub poetry.
It's dub poetry. Dub poetry. 100%. The thing about dub poetry is that dub is music and poetry is sound, is word, and it originates from Jamaica. The thing about dub music is that dub music is the poetry of music.
Yeah, because it sounds like a poem. You remind me of DYCR.
DYCR, yeah. Yeah, him the dub poetry too, you know, but DYCR vibration is
it's
very
different, but the poetry aspect of it. DYCR, Muta.
Listen to a brethren named Linton Kwesi Johnson.
Mm-hmm.
Listen to a brethren named Oko Unora. Listen to a brethren named Benjamin Zephaniah.
The man of Jamaican?
Yeah. Benjamin Zephaniah him just pass away. Him had the brethren where them did offer him a member of British Empire. Like for 90 him. And him say, me I work all my life. Him turn it down. Because him say, me I work all my life against Babylon. I don't want to come send me a part on the empire. So I don't want it. And I respect that.
He's a British man?
Yeah, he's a British Rasta man. In past recently, where they are. You see me I say, listen to American Gil Scott Heron. Listen to him. Listen to the original works of Mos Def.
I know Mos Def.
Yeah, listen to not necessarily listen to him poetry. Listen, so them kind of poetry that where the the word, sometimes it's not necessarily about the rhyme. Sometimes it's not. The thing with DYCR is this, yeah? DYCR is peculiar and he's good, yeah? But my sound, I would say, is not to take anything from DYCR, but my sound is more deliberate. And I utilize different aspects of dub, different aspects of rhythm and music, man. I never get a rhythm and just ride it, you know. Or me sitting, I make every piece, every bass line of a precise. I get the bass player, I'm say play this. The drummer, I'm say play this. When I make this, I say play this. Boom 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 bibi dooby dum boom 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 bi dum bim. Boom 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 bibi dooby dum bim boom boom bi dum bim.
So basically involving the whole aspect of the creation.
Everything,
so like you produce it basically.
Me produce my music. Me produce and the same vibration it was with the Nomads. That's why our music sounds so different. We go in and we sit here with the musicians and we say play this. And the drummer says, so yeah. I would say, yeah, man. I would say, guitar, give me this. Rang, check, 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 rang, check, check, check. And the guitar.
So basically make on own beat them. So no walk into a ready-made beat no time. When you just said this is the vibration.
Sometimes if a producer send with something where blow away mind, like the title track from the album when name Give Thanks, a Toddler T send me a piece. Me hear him with a piece, and in piece name Gratitude is the Attitude. And my piece name Give Thanks. I'm going to say that really my body, and him say I'm going to send it to you. And I place my thing on it. I place my piece on it. You feel me? I say so that for is only 2 pieces out of 11 pieces. I do that way. Every other piece we build them.
You make them by your own.
Make them. Send the voice note to my producer of the bass line, of the drum pattern, of
and
the
say
melody.
You want this, you want this, you want this.
And then the producer build them with the musicians.
You see, so basically you know the one thing.
Yeah,
just like me, but whatever.
But art. That's why when people ask me who me is, me used to say I'm a creative. Because I like that encompasses a lot of things.
Me say entertainer.
Entertainer. Why I not choose entertainer is that I'm not here to entertain you, you know. You might be entertained, but my purpose is not to entertain you. I trust that your lifestyle would be advanced. Your welfare would be advanced by hearing the vibrations I may put forward. You feel me? I say, I would love to educate you. I would love to improve your life. And yeah, if you're entertained, yeah, you can be entertained, but it's not to ridicule or reduce entertainment, because entertainment is very valuable, but that is not the only thing when I bring to the table. So that's why I say I'm a creative. I'm creating stuff because I'm going to make you cry too.
That's not just people. But in the same breath, when you say, in terms of being creative, I think some of the time, us entertainers, I fell into that trap already, where you see, if we do good at one thing, and people identify you with that thing, once you start stray away from that thing too much, it's like you can't refuse what the people them want. Like, for instance, you would have said, in America, most of America listen to 90s dancehall. Right? New dancehall are playing now. Few dancehall are slip through the cracks. But what people want to hear, that sound. So some of the time, I think, sometimes we as creatives, we not say...
I think we give the audience too much credit, Dale.
We say give that. Me have to give them credit.
No, a lot of time the audience are sheep. And they need a shepherd to lead them. Look at the youth named Alkaline as a new age, new sound dancer.
Yeah.
Who else are going to sell out places like how him sell out the place? The other man them will sell out the place them. Bojo Bantan sell out a place and Vibes Carter sell out a place. Them did missing because them did their prison.
Yeah.
That youth when him Alkaline never go to prison and him sell out the place. Who else can sell out the place? I love Beanie Man and I love Bounty Killer, but you think say Beanie Man and Bounty Killer can go sell out that place by themselves? Even though people love them?
Branding.
Yeah, you say branding, but it's also content. The youth actually make some good content.
Yeah, but he make what people want.
No, he make a genre, he make a style. Him talk about sex, him talk about gun, him talk about violence. It is the style of the dancehall.
Yeah, but
it no limit to a particular era of dancehall.
What me I say is sometimes we as artists, when we are create with art, we can't stray from what people want.
We have to please yourself, deal. Me go differ. We have to please yourself.
No, you have to please yourself first, but some of the time in enough artists' head, a artist with anything, a man will start try do. Like for instance, say me a Jamaican. And suppose every day now me just turn up and me just turn Yankee. Yeah. I'm just talk like me a Yankee because that's how me I go for now. And me I say, oh yeah, I'm thinking to cross over now. So now me just Yankee.
No, you would have to have a strategy towards your madness. And it would have to have meaning. It would have to have a deeper resonance. It can't be just because you want to become or favor or mimic the Yankee.
Yeah, but me I tell you say, art
people
can
don't
do
sense
that.
you're real. But the people don't sense your art for real though, primarily.
Art can do that.
Yeah, but no, then it not gonna be art, it's gonna be fart. Them have to sense you're real. Them have to sense you're real. If them sense you're real, if take for instance you're gonna do a role and you have to go be an American in that role where you're gonna play a deal.
Me can do that easily.
Of course you can do it because the one who may build for you, you're an American.
Me can do that
you
easily.
See what I say? And the one who may build is an American. May have you speaking right. This couple things that may build right now. May let that pussy out of the bag right. So because then now you do that role there. You have a purpose for doing it. What else would be your purpose for yanking in your regular day-to-day vibrations when that is not what you're selling? That is not your truth.
That's not what me do.
You see, and if we go to the dance hall, when the dance hall youth them start dive too much into the hip-hop game, you realize it don't work for them. Even when our artists them collaborate with the hip-hop people them, and that them don't want we do no hip-hop rasta.
Yeah, but you basically validate some of the point where me I say. If you stray too far from what the people them want,
but what the people them want is your truth.
you will lose it.
What the people them want, I don't feel
my
like
time
the people
them
them know what they
some-
want.
some
I don't think the people know what they want. I don't feel people know what they want. All right. Before you saw Forrest Gump, did you know that you wanted Forrest Gump?
Oh?
So how the fuck people are gonna know what they want? Them don't know what they want. You have to give man something and impress upon them. Them have to see it and say, Bumbo Clot, this man didn't want all this time. Them have to be moved, I feel with. And that's why I love art. Because art forced me as the creator to find my truest expression, share it, and make it move the audience to a place where them not even they know them there. If me consistently consider to please the audience, me go feel and me go stuck. You remember the glass ceiling that we talk about? Me go stuck underneath it. And me now go see no change within my community, like no growth within my community, because them go stagnant. And me now get no growth within my art. Because it's going to remain stagnant. I don't think the people them know what they want. I think the people them just know what they have been given and them trust it and it's safe. Oh, me know that is, yeah. All right, me can eat it.
Once it's different, it can... No, but say...
It can be tricky, don't get me wrong.
That's why I say there has to be a balance of you changing over. But I say, I know everybody as creatives, I've met creatives will lose themselves.
Yeah, because they might try find something deal.
Find. You lose yourself and look for something. Some people lose themselves and look for something.
I look for something. You see, a man say, man, I need to find. It's good, to acknowledge that you need something, right? But if you spend your life searching without for something that can benefit you within, then you might be misleading yourself. The first place to look for any form of growth is within.
First person for blame to are yourself. Every time.
And your experience will teach you your wisdom. The places where you flow in and
not
the vibration.
Your age.
No.
Not your age.
Not your age. Are your experience. That's why people for travel.
I never know that every Jamaican.
Brother, them for travel and them for learn it. I never know somebody go create this album, yeah. Give thanks. I knew I was going to make music after the Nomads, right?
Probably a Belgium give the album, yeah.
Brother, a Belgium give me the album with the conversation. And I'm going to say, okay, And then things start flow into place, my brother. I never, even the structure, the vibration of, and it just start flow. And it start to flow. Brother, this make itself, the album I make itself.
Well, all right, I'm going to tell you, you got to have a man where hear that and say, this is a madman, sit down
But
right
you
there.
got to have a man where hear the album and say it is foolishness. And you got to have a man where hear it and say, move him. And
that is art. But that is art.
You know what I mean?
So, but do you ever think about reggae? Because if me I gotta be honest, what I had reggae as younger, you see, like your poems and stuff like that, it sound prolifically reggae, you know, like you could have been like a reggae artist if you say,
of course, but you know, the thing about reggae, what I find is this. Why I don't champion to say I am a reggae artist. It's fine. I love reggae and I listen to reggae every day and I think that the Marleys do very well at reggae. You know what I mean? But why I don't champion a reggae thing is because reggae primarily focuses on the idea of a deity. The idea of a God.
yeah.
Dub poetry does not focus on the idea of a God. Dancehall focus on the idea of leisure, fun, smoke
Poverty.
weed, bust gun, fuck girl, have fun. Dancehall mantra. You feel me? I say reggae focuses on poverty. The current, all
Reggae
of them,
is poverty and love.
all of them. Reggae is more of a deity. Reggae is more of a deity. Reggae is Imperial Majesty Haile Selassie, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah. That is the foundation of reggae music in terms of the messaging behind reggae music. You feel me? I say?
Yeah.
And them say God is love. So God is love. Love is God. God is love. You feel me? The foundation of dancehall music is fuck girl, smoke weed, bust gun, have fun. Foundation of dancehall music. Foundation of dub poetry, it encompasses all. However, it has to be meaningful and it has to be provocative and it has to advance your welfare.
I don't think a dunce can do your type of music. When me say, no, me say it that way, but when me say a dunce, if you're not good with the English language, you have to leave dub poetry alone.
Not really. All right. Dub poetry primarily, it's part of a business,
Yes,
However,
but me hear simile, me hear metaphor,
yeah,
me
man.
hear.
All right. You
me
see, once
hear-
you go dabble in a poetry now, you have to go actually realize that you're encoding messaging. You have a meaning behind everything. It's not just me wake up, me put on my bad shoes, I'm tuck my gun in my waist, I'm a bust too short, I'm jump in my Benz, I'm a roll off and
Exactly.
thing. Me not just narrate a particular lifestyle where there is no positive moral outcome. Because if you notice after I'm smoke weed and bust the gun and fuck the girl, I'm have fun, him not really have a him not, like you watch a movie.
It stop there, so.
Yeah. You feel me? I say, and with the ultimate is a deity. For me, I don't worship anything, or anyone, my brother, anymore, When I was young, I drop down on my knee and say a prayer. Or a few years ago, and then I get up and I say to myself, like me, I beg God. I say, God, please. I'm get up and I say, what may I do? I say, if my son come to me and do that, what may I go say to him? I go say, get up. Because my purpose here is to advance your life. You don't even have to beg me for me to give you. So then, no, the supreme being, you think you have to beg the supreme being? Will live within you and not without? With you and the supreme is one in the same? You think you have to go beg the supreme? So that now make me say, whoa, holy fuck, dude. Boom, years ago, I say, then I consider myself a walking prayer. Because that's why my album name, Give Thanks. That's why I've been saying give thanks for years. Years, me I say give thanks. For more than 2 decades, I've been saying give thanks. You feel me? I say, and then it come now and manifest itself into a musical project. Give thanks, a double project. Give thanks. You feel me? I say. So then now when I pray this deal, I'm say, what is this all? This idea of worship. It's vain, Everything that we worship is vain because it's all physical. Our concept of God is in the physical. Everything we know about the God concept was taught to us by a man here in the physical.
Written in a book.
Was written in a book by
And
a
said,
man
read
here
it,
in the
this is
physical
it.
and said, this is it, and yada, yada. So, if you want to find, and based on the messages and the vibrations and the energies that I myself have been allowing and surrendering myself to, so that life can flow through me instead of me feel like a meter come from, it'll move through me. Some approach my roles them to, my brother. Or some approach, me not try do nothing too hard, I study it, don't get me wrong, but then I fling it away and discard the whole idea of it and then go into the scene and allow for it to move through me. Me not overthink it. Me have to allow it, because if me not feel like it, if the scene not right and me not feel it, something wrong. You feel me? Yeah. So it have to come through me instead of from me. Yeah, and that's how I treat art, and that's how I treat the whole spirituality. That's why I'm saying really, the worshipping idea of anything at all. You know what I mean? I just there to be a custodian, and me utilize what is useful, share what I need for share, what I can share, and what I want to share, and take care of and preserve for the ones who are coming after. You know what I mean? That kind of vibration with my art and with my whole being. You feel me?
We're dealing with the present.
Yes, Rasta.
When we can see, touch, feel the tree, that's why you love fruit. Everything makes sense. Everything makes sense. It's like you love tree, fruit, outside,
water,
grass, water, linen,
and my spiritual connection.
Everything are from the earth.
One night time I drop, me and my empress there one river in a deal, and I skip, one pair of clocks, and the river muddy, and the water low. When the water low and it run between the rocks, very rocky. And I skip over a rock, and I slip my brother. Foot up in the ear, head back, I go up on rock, and I feel hands catch me and feather me down, so. My woman eye pop, so, and I'm out drop. I'm up on my back. I'm not even wet, I'm up on my back, I'm say, you see that? And she said, I say, come.
Yes, there's something there, so.
I say, come. You know what I mean? I say, I have a boogie. And for a lot of things in my life, in my journey, I worry about them things. People all assault me already, and hit me, Bop, 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 bop. I'm going to feel it. Like some heavy, hardcore hit. And it just
me learn that every time me get me feel it. Me need whatever I watch you.
Me feel, and I feel, when them say, when Christians say angels encamp around you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, me feel like, and that's so me feel every day in my journey, in my physical realm. Yeah. So then now, with that vibration, I'm welcome it.
Yeah.
I welcome that energy of association with the divine. You know what I mean?
In your way to, make a man tell you how
I remember saying, we are Jamaican, so we are church people.
Mm-hmm.
We are church people, we are church camp, we are by the fire, people are balling and say, oh my God, save me. You know what I mean? But I grow, I'm use reason, I'm use logic as well, even though some people say I can't use logic. But I use logic, I use reason, because that's why we're built with this mind, and we have antennas, and we have receptors, we have sense.
Well, we have brain have to think,
Brethren.
Brain. Why we have a lot of brain here? For just not use it.
No, we have to utilize it, my brother, and we have to feel. We have to, and it's not about us figuring out life. Some people want to figure out what's the purpose of life. I need to figure it out. No, brother. That's why we have you realize that you have a tongue, you can taste sweet and sugar, and you have sexual organs which can make you enjoy pleasures, and you can have orgasms, and you can bring forth children. This physical realm is for the physical realm. It's for physical things. Spiritual realm is for the spiritual realm. It's for spiritual things. You feel me? I said, don't. Yes, they flow. They commingle. They dance. However, when you are focused on the physical realm, like right now we are focused on the physical realm, we're doing physical things. Give the attention it deserves.
All right.
Because when you transition and you're in the spiritual realm, you have to give the attention the way it deserves.
Yeah, because physical done with now. And also too, I realize the older we get, the more experience we have, the wiser we get. The more certain things become less important, the more your focus become more razor sharp.
Yeah, man.
The more you feel like, all right, now it's time to give, or now it's time to take.
Time for everything.
But I think it's just different waves we go through in our life. So, you know, when a man in the spiritual thought, that are just the journey where he might go through, because it's crazy. Remember that we indoctrinated, you know.
Oh God.
We might get, if something bad for me right now, the first thing I'll come out of my mouth is Jesus Christ.
You know how difficult it is. Let me just share with you about where I am now in my journey. Me a baptized Christian and me a youth and I used to walk around my Bible in my top pocket. You know how difficult it is for me to say I don't worship anything anymore and I stop praying because I'm a walking prayer. For me to get to that inner standing.
Take you a long time.
For me to get to and accept it. Blasphemy.
You got hell.
Hellfire for you.
You got hell.
You feel me, I say? Oh, smoke too much weed. Oh. You know what I mean?
You see, the thing is, I will never lose my ability to question things. You know?
No, you have to, my brother.
Because me not gonna just take what you tell me.
No, you have to. I mean, I expect nobody for even this reasoning I know, it worked for me. It worked for me. I don't expect nobody to take what me and say as gospel. Me's no religious man. No, I don't deal with religion. That's what I say about reggae music. Reggae music, reggae has a deity in the form of His Imperial Majesty Haile Selassie. I feel like my idea of a deity should be private. You know, I feel like I feel like my idea of a deity, because it's an intimate thing.
To me, wherever a man want, hey, I'm tell you this. If a man tell me right now, say that cheer, I'm God.
Bro.
Are you a God that me G?
And sit down funny.
And wherever you Jesus Christ.
Get up.
Yo, Lord.
You know what I mean?
When, to me, a man is entitled to his own belief.
Yeah,
and
man. Totally, 100%.
And some people will say, yeah, but you so find a way, man. All right, if that way they come and find me, make it find me. But this me I work with them, me I work with for now.
Yeah, I just think, so that's the reason. And because I do not want to spread a message of my personal relationship with the deity, with my deity that way, me not really, because I feel like if I go take on reggae music, dub poetry is positive vibrations, it's harmonious vibrations, but you're not going to hear me scream no name in none of my pieces. No name of any deity in any of my pieces. I'm not going to tell you how to worship in any of my pieces. I'm not going to take you to church in any of my pieces. You feel me? I'm going to do something else. I'm going to let you in my heart. I'm going to let you in my space. I'm going to let you in a journey. You know what I mean? But me no, and me now go send me a dancer because me now go tell nobody to shoot nobody. And me now go promote no gun usage. And me now go promote no abuse of any substance at all. And me now go promote promiscuity. Me now go promote because me no feel comfortable in it. I don't mind it because I love dancehall.
Are you human?
I love dancehall. Away I say, me no mind it. I'm listen to them. Me listen to all of them, bro. Me listen to Vibes Cartel, bro. Me write papers about Popcorn and Vibes Cartel and get it published in magazines about them albums and reviews on them projects. You feel me? I say. However, me no feel like me need to do what them I do. It no come to me naturally. Not that me no think say what them I do wrong or right. Me no have a judgment towards it. You know what I mean? I just think that for me, everybody have a calling. You know what I mean?
Brother, you're different. To me, I can't say different. I have to say unique. Nobody not gonna tell you how to dress. Nobody not gonna tell you how to do your song. Nobody not gonna tell you where to write. And you've been like this forever.
Forever, don't it?
And guess what? When you lose that, you lose yourself.
Don't it?
Like if you did come in right now, dress up, me'd have be like, who this? If me ever buck up I want jeans pants, I want white shirt.
I have jeans, you know, bro.
No, you might forward with that denim in our boot or something. Me I talk
Something
about
different.
you know go we're meeting right now. I will never see you.
What you mean? No, in a way. No,
Me nah
bro,
see you
me
not
can
gonna
rock
come
when
in
you're
a
bro. You're in a pair of trousers.
but you're not dressed like this. You probably would have a bag on and a funny glasses with a congal. Your style and not my style. You know? We probably have the same smile, but we don't have the same style.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, everybody, you,
man.
what me can say for you, you march to the beat of your own drum.
Yeah, you know.
And
Give thanks.
I think that is why you create your own lane where I can't find somebody to compare you to, you know.
Don't it? And that is probably one of the biggest compliments I have received. To be honest.
Me can't say you are the
My older brother did say that to me one time, long time, you know. They said my older brother did say that to me too. You are probably the second person who said that to me in that way. You know what I mean?
That's why I'm a trim.
Comparable.
That's why I'm a trim.
I love it.
You know what nobody. So now that comparison, see that comparison what we used to have.
Yeah,
that gone.
right now we just shatter that. No,
That
no, this just.
gone. Me trim now. We clearly favor same way, you know.
Yes.
We clearly look alike.
I'm very similar too.
But
I'm very similar.
when the dreads gone,
You're probably the most similar human being I meet. And we're very different.
yeah.
And we're very, very different. But you're probably the most similar human being I meet.
Hey, everybody know, there is one heap of way can lead the thing donkey got the wheel, you know. Or you can get to the same place and take multiple different directions. So there's more than one way to skin a cat. So me always admire that. But me only love the people.
KC too.
But hear the funny story with me and Casey. So me get expelled from Meadowbrook, you know.
Okay.
Me used to go to Meadowbrook High School first. And me get expelled in a second farm.
Oh.
But me used to go to the track and field.
Okay, so you go
So
for
me
that
got Casey.
Casey go run track.
So me got Casey.
Give thanks. That's why your life change when you go Casey, don't it?
Let me tell you what changed my life really. Changing households.
Go to your other grandmother.
When I go live with my other grandmother, me have things like I have my own room.
Okay.
And cable.
Okay.
And consistent lunch money every day.
Okay.
And I say, wow. All right, you see video that I make? That's a she. The complaining, the discipline, she me get that from. She me get 5 o'clock at 5 o'clock. Or you have to do this, by all means get it done. If you not do it, this is what happen if you not do it. Me never yet can escape a consequence of something when me do from my grandmother before. Like, it get to the point where me will reach home, like she would say 7 o'clock, and me will reach home 7:10. And they at the door. And she'll say, hey, you know it work. And me I just got me other grandmother.
Wow.
Because I can't go in her house. And she there right there so for let me in. And she not upset.
No,
She not. She say, hey, you know it work.
I like her.
That I just.
I like her.
That are the discipline. Just say, hey, you go learn how to manage your own money.
I like her.
I go give you $5,000, $1,000 a day for go to school. And I give you that $5,000
One
Saturday
time.
morning. Don't come back to me till next week Saturday. Make it last. That was the greatest thing she did for me. Because I used to take that $5,000 and I used to go buy 10 box of donut. I reach a school early in the morning. One box of the red, the red and white donut.
You mean with the jelly?
Right.
Oh gosh, them
6
donut
coming
them
at the
sweet,
pack.
you know.
It used to be $80 fee pack. I used to sell each of them for $50. So I used to make 3 bills. I used to spend $80 and make 3 bills. I used to buy 10 of them. $800.
Yeah, work, you know.
I used to sell box food too.
Me I work at school, but me I work on the stage as festival.
No, me I
and you
sell.
hustle.
Brother, me I sell food.
Me know you was like you at school, you know, so them dead, you know, you say sell and you say hustle, you know.
Look back on the youth them. Think about all of the man them where they know we have a entrepreneurship. Where the school used to get the most fight.
Yeah, man. Them used to get a worry per fight.
Me used to get the most fight.
Yeah,
they'll sell bag juice.
Yeah, man.
Oh, they'll sell cheat tricks.
Them never want you sell.
Look on what them youth they are doing in life right now. See if them are some business owner.
Man. Yeah, man.
Because you see when you can't stop a youth from being an entrepreneur.
No, it's in a system. And him a think for turn it.
One time I get catch and I look upon the teacher. I just tell her, I made a book and I look upon the teacher's church. I say, hey, I am sending myself to school, you know. You take these from me, I will have more tomorrow. The man get upset. I say, yo. She say, you have something to say to me? I say, nothing, ma'am. You're doing your job.
You're doing your job. You have something to say to me?
The man say, what do you mean by that? I say, miss, what did I say? You're doing your job. You know, so the woman suspect me for that. She said,
Yeah,
man,
man.
Come and say, yo, I say, your job is to catch me. My job is to not get caught. You're doing your job.
And she should have rate you and
The woman
respect that.
suspect, the woman suspect me for 5 days.
You see, me I tell you, them don't know, hey, I get it, you know, but them don't know how to manage youth and the exuberance that the youth have. You see, all me, you know, you see me, say you I do them thing, you know, me I make sure I set a program for you. I make sure I'm a vet where you sell so you don't bring the pies and come sell the youth them. I make sure say everything organized and I say, all right, and I structure it. At that me I come and say, I teach this youth I feel like biggest companies in the world. Drinks company, food company, sellers, people who sell your things.
Everybody is a consumer. Everybody consume. So you say as long as when me change my mind and think as a producer and not a consumer, my life change.
Brother, I don't know. You know, so me never, but I don't even think of myself as a consumer. Me always, even though obviously you have to
Everybody consume. I consume so much things.
But me don't even think about myself as a consumer. Because when me always say, when I go events or when me even on the internet, me always say I do a recce, you know. Because it's like me I do a reconnaissance, because I study it. Because I want to learn.
Still I consume content though. No matter what you do.
Still I consume. You feel me? So it's like, for the vibration there, you know, me get it.
Mr. Myrie, you see the principal? You see where I talk about vet?
Yeah.
So the last time I get catch, so I used to sell box food, right? And how the idea for sell the box food was actually, me I walk home from school, from track training, and there was a man, and him always used to jerk chicken neck and chicken. Him name Boji. And one day, Boji sell me the chicken neck. And I say, yo, could I make all of money for this, you know? Say, yo, Boji, you know cook chicken and them thing the why I always sell chicken neck. He must say, no, I cook chicken at daytime, but when they come at night time, chicken done, so I can jerk up fast. So I say, all right, then, you what? Give me 5 of them here tomorrow. 5 box food. I carry the 5 box food, then I'm going to school and I say, hey, who want a lunch? And I say, yo, carry them 11 o'clock. Take the 5 box food them, carry them, give me them over the wall, and I basically sell the 5 box food them to my friend them. I make them taste it. And I say, yo, a Boji food. And them say, why you have Boji food? And them taste it. And I say, all right then. So next day I start take order. Boji sell me a small lunch for $120. I sell it back for $250. A large lunch for $150. I sell it back for $3. So me a double my money. And Boji I carry it. And it's from me in a 9th grade. I work with Boji so till me see Boji used to ride a bicycle and deliver it himself. Then Boji have 2 youth. We would have carried them. Then Boji started have 2 youth. Then the youth them start ride bike. Then me see Boji carry. Then a bus. Because me I move from 10 lunch to now me I sell $150 lunch.
Pussyclat.
Me I make money. and them a try everything.
Them study your blood clot.
Guess what?
Blueprint.
No, but them a try everything because guess what?
150 blood. Oh, you smuggle that in high school.
Him come up at the wall. And me used to take off my tie and use my tie as a rope.
And fish them over.
And him would have put the box for them and me just roll them up. And then me start have people that sell them for me. So me have this man a collect order, this man a collect. So what start happening was, Boji used to carry blue bag. I tell Boji every day. I say, Boji, TST is our canteen. A white bag where I get lunch them in a Boji. Boji box food different because Boji box different and Boji food blue. I'm run it for 3 years. And other people do it. I make money. And at one time I get catch. And when me get catch red-handed, not kind of get catch. Me get catch in a one tree with me tie hook, with everything. I come out of the tree. Me get catch red-handed.
This is good freaking cinema.
And the man asked me, and Mr. Mary sit down, and Mr. Mary thought to Mr. Mary said, Dale, what you're not understanding is, for the month of February, the canteen has started to decline in sales. 10% decline to a 25% decline is noticeable for any business. Does this person you're buying the food from, does he have a food anglers permit? What are you giving these? You don't understand that you're poisoning these guys because these children, if this person is not preparing the food properly, can we vet? This is food. When I said, Deal, I wouldn't suspend you if it was a biscuit that you're buying from somewhere else. But this is food that you're feeding children.
Yeah, man.
And when the man break, the man say, yo,
yeah, man.
Have you ever seen this food being prepared?
Yeah, you see the water we use cook this thing.
So the man starts say them things to me.
Yeah, man.
Me I say, yo, I someone poison people.
Yeah.
Because me I feed a whole school box food.
Yeah. From
me at 15. Me never seen inside a Boji house
yet.
Thankfully, nothing wrong with no man, but
yeah.
I would be fuming as a parent.
Yeah. If you know, say, I don't know the food where come from and their school and they make a student to do all this. A student
to sell food.
How would you make that happen on the school campus?
When the man break that down to me, I say, you're
man,
right.
A real talk.
You're right. Because one time, Casey used to make a plea with Casey, you know. Because me used to sell bag juice, them couldn't catch me with the bag juice. Because you have to catch it upon me. So me used to do something like keep a garbage bin right downstairs from my class and a 2-door. So you can't, my seat, they are the door to the garbage bin and it's a dead end. Teacher go enter from the first door. Them not go enter from the last door. So me would throw away my load. Me would just dash away my bag juice.
Yeah.
Throw it in the garbage bin downstairs. You never find it for me.
Yeah.
But me start think smart. Me start reach at school early. Start reach at school 5 o'clock. Me carrying 10 boxes of donut, but at 5 o'clock in the morning.
As donut factory, who exactly. You buy from the night before.
Donut factory, me go downtown
early
and get my donut them. And when me get my donut them, me piece them out. 4 boxes go to 10, 4 boxes go to 7th grade, 4 boxes go to 8th grade, 4 boxes go to 9th grade, 5 boxes go to 10th grade, and me keep 10 boxes for myself. Me a sell, brother. Me a make money now.
Brother, you sell, brother.
I was a 6-figure nigga in high school, you know.
Brother, you sell, brother. No, man, you sell.
No, man. When me in high school, me a make money, you know.
Deal. You put the canteen out of business?
Brother, when me in high school, all right, look at that way. When me in high school, me have iPhone 5. You know how much money for iPhone 5 when me in high school? Like $55,000. Me a buy that, cash. High school. Me a hustle. I only thing me know how to do.
Wow.
I translate that when me there you with me was the currency man. When me say that, me change money. You see, man of US, bring it, come give me. Me go find the best rate for you. You carry it, come give me. You tell me, say, all right, the rate to me are 111. I mean, know a Chinese man that give me for all 105. Me I jump in on my car, me I drive, go make that extra $1,500 there. Enough time me I make all 15 grand, me I change money. Every home seat,
Wow.
me have to make something.
Wow.
Me have to move and I shake something. But at the first time when Mr. Mary said to me, say, Deal,
Yeah.
me understand what you do.
Yeah, it's dangerous.
But you see that? Because the man said, Deal, don't be ridiculous. We know you, we know what you're doing, We know what you're doing. It's not like, come on, we know what you're doing. Because me do tracks. There is nothing a tracks man can do when nobody know. Them watch you like,
Them watch you, man, and you, them are talk, you know.
Man say, Deal.
I remember say, man, now buy your food, I got talk, say, yourself.
Listen to me. Elliott donut them.
You know what I mean? I will get that donut, man. Elliott, man.
Elliott have a donut them. Elliott have a brinky them. You want brinky, you want donut, Elliott have them.
Wow.
Elliott have donut, brinky, bag juice. Bag juice buy from Ita. Brinky me buy downtown. Donut me buy downtown. Box food me get from Boji. And me a run all of them. And me have youth. Me used to pay the youth them $300.
Brother.
You want to work for me? Me pay you 3 bills a day. Me give you $5 a donut, $1 a your pay. As some used to work it out. Me never pay them cash. You get a box of donut for yourself. Sell them 5, yeah? You get $1 for yourself. So you are gonna make your 3 bills for $1 and carry the rest of the money come give me. A man never rob me yet.
No, you put him on.
A man never rob me yet. Remember one time me have 2 youth to sell for me and me I watch Escobar. Me I watch some Escobar documentary. And it say, oh, yo, Pablo Escobar, I mean, that American gangster. And they say, yo, him always treat him friend them and him family good and this and that and blah, blah, blah. I remember one Friday, I got half a tree. One Friday, I there downtown. And me a par with 3 youth. And buy 3 desert clocks.
Oh, gosh, man.
Just buy the man, them. I just say, yo.
I imagine the man respect you for life.
A young youth, them too, Them was like 2 years younger than me. Me in 11th grade. Them in like 9th grade.
They respect you for life.
Say, all right, yo, desert for all our feet. Man, them say, yo, Deal, a gang you build a school now.
Right, yes, sir.
Me I say, yo, a gang. But I just see me. I want me to see. Me I say, yo, listen to me. If you are sell for me, you can't look like no scabby.
No.
You have to dress up properly. Your pants have to tuck in.
man.
Your pants can't take in either.
No,
you can't wear no tight pants
tight
yourself
up
for me.
Pants business.
You can't wear no Vans because you get in a trouble. Mr. Mary said we need to wear shoes. So your dress code now go fuck up my money.
Yeah, you have to clean, you have to ready, you have to your tie have to up.
Yeah, your dress code now go fuck up my money. But I become used to watch all of the damn drugs documentary. And I grew up, I see my grandmother run a bar. So from my barn, I see people at work for make money. I see my grandmother go buy
the stuff there.
Buy the case of liquor them, buy 10 case of Guinness, 10 write them up. This are the cigarette, this are the pool table money, this are how the girl we're working there, she have to pay them that money there. This are the rent, this are how we are gonna do it, this are the round robin. All them things there from me see me and grow up, I just hustle. So when me employ that in a school, brother, when me go at UA, I just money me see I walk around,
Don't it?
My theory is if we can get $1 from everybody. Millions of people in our world.
Yeah, bro.
There's a million ways to make $1 million,
Yeah, man.
I think for that, there is more than 1 million ways to make $1 million. And if we think like that, with art, because my thing is how our purpose as artists is to create value.
Of course, man. Of course. I have the audiobook in the morning, yeah. We put it on audio because I realize people don't read anymore. Nobody now sit down and read the book, but they would want to hear the
Somebody
poetry.
will listen to it.
And will listen to it. And a platform, I did reach out to Audible, send them a message and thing, and them say, By the way, my dub poetry audiobook is the first complete dub poetry audiobook in the history of the genre, complete, from introduction to glossary. 3 hours worth of listen. Feel me? It depends on the platform. So I reach out to Audible and them say this genre does not do well on them platform. By the way, there's no other dub poetry audiobook on it. But them don't know it. So anyway, I'm wait around until some Jamaican youth create a platform named Audio, ODIYO. If you go up on your phone right now and go in your app store or your Play Store and you type in ODIYO, you will see a little app pop up. You download it. What that app will open you up to is Jamaican stories, Jamaican audiobooks recorded by Jamaican narrators. So Jamaican authors made by Jamaicans. The platform was made. Nobody don't know about it. It's been around for May coming. It will be 1 year old.
People don't understand how expensive and how hard them thing they is to get off of the ground, you know. Apps and them things. I don't think it is. I just wake up and do it, you know.
No, I don't just proper. And plus it a carry content like audiobook where you can go on pan and you can purchase. Go on it and buy my book. When anybody will listen to this right now, go on audio. ODIYO in any phone, any Apple, any Android device you have. Go on it, peruse, and look for my book name In the Morning, yeah. And click it. And you can get for preview it and thing. And you go hear dub poetry, a cappella style, my entire book. And you go be able to listen to the culture. Listen, just play it by your drive, play it for your children, play it, and you will hold the vibration. And I said to the people them we're on audio because we're trying to meet some because we work close.
Yeah.
We can talk to the owners.
Yeah.
We can't do that with Audible. You know what I mean? We can talk to audio owners. And where I say me have a vision, you know. I have a vision say when my projects come out the right way and 100 million people watch my series and my films, them are gonna say, who the actor yeah? Because I'm supposed to put in the work with them for say, who the actor yeah? And them just go up on Google and Google me.
And Google
me. You know what I mean? And type in my name and then audio I go pop up. And then they might say, what is audio thing? And then they might look on it and I say, wait, audiobook? What is audiobook thing? And then they might go click the audiobook. And then they might say, wait, I can purchase it and listen to it. And then they might purchase it. Out of, if 1%, that's 1 million people. I may always say to them, my brother, if 1% of the people will see it motivated for one listen further, that's 1 million people you have where one get
0.5%. But you think you understand conversion rate. 1% of 100 people are 1,000 people. You know, 1% of 1,000 people are 100. Yeah. 1% of 100,000 are 1,000.
1,000. Enough people that you know. 1,000 people.
1,000 people, one place, a whole heap of people. You know?
A whole heap of people.
You know what? People never see 1,000 people in front of them one time yet.
Okay. I may tell you, say, when me there do theater in our open field, me see 15,000 head in one venue. In Jamaica. Oh, so it's possible.
It's very possible.
One time.
Very possible.
You know what I mean? So it's like, brother, it's like for you create things right now, my lad. You just have to know who you are, design where you are design, put it forward with a open heart, have your expectations, but don't be confined by them.
No, man, me make my thing them now. And if it not work, next thing.
Pivot.
Next thing,
easy.
Some do it.
Easy.
So you have anything else to say to the people them? Because we are close now.
Yeah. In terms of
just where we can find you.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, more get me I post some new things and start build up my YouTube. Cause I just lift up my head from the working desk now. I'm gonna say, I'm gonna start approach the people them content wise.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna create some videos, some visuals for my dub poetry music. I am Sheldon Shepherd on the YouTube. My platform very new, so I don't have no whole heap of subscription.
It no matter, so no go and go subscribe.
So you can go subscribe, and I am The Don, THEDON SHEPHERD, The Don Shepherd on the Instagram platform. And them two platforms, they are really the platform that I utilize most. I depend on TikTok, but me fresh on it, and Didon, D-I-D-O-N.
Listen to me, you need TikTok,
Don't
Threads, X.
Me go get pon them, man.
I have every social media.
Are you gonna teach me, you know?
Easily.
Are you gonna teach me, right?
Easily.
That's what
Me have every social media.
Are you gonna teach me, man? Cause may I get there, and it's nice, you know, when you start to see the vibrations and you see what works. Yeah, I'll post something. Recently, I look on my Instagram and I say, I'm so surprised. I say, I do a thing with Ziggy recently, and I see 400,000 people visit my page in the 30 days, and I say, wow, it's nice.
Bro, every single thing is metric.
Yes, I am.
We live in the information. Man. We live in the information era. We live in where you need eyes. So people, hey, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I hope you enjoy the vibration. We have a long reasoning, and I hope you really digest the reasoning, because this a history we make right now. The two we sit down at the same place.
Yes, sir.
It's a history. So I want to thank you for forwarding.
Man, give thanks for the invite, man, and for sharing your
you're always welcome.
You know?
And we have some very, very interesting things coming. So people out of your thanks. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe.